FM. Ebusian Pena so stand on a pay. Yata say Takuda on some at the promo. If it's a pay, come you say to me, a Brana so catch unya. Now unya so continue and say some Pena to 3.2 FM. Full time sports, as just yet the thing, and yes, some to talk on no crab power and 40 minutes after 9. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the show. Meeting and Rachel Chris, Adam Sakowa Mackenzie, call me Teletalk and call me the letters intelligence. This is full time sports on your go-to Supermega Town 93.1 FM. Oko Facebook as well. Sompa 93.1 FM. Now we follow, now we share. Now we to message to the pardon of Pebble can count them out. And we'll Facebook as well. Sompa 93.1 FM. And we'll Facebook as well. Follow us share. Now for message now. And pardon of Pebble can count. And so the we purchase the Timia. Now we TV no. One rescane. Or rescane with TV no. And that's what you could have. Women Sompa 93.1. And that's what Sompa TV. Now what to enjoy as well TV so. And after Sompa TV or YouTube so. Now I promote subscribe. Now we put one down. What to message that pardon of pay. Yamaka Kai as well. Tama we have to make so. Jeffrey Asari Apostle Ewaha. And after Philip Bra El Cerebro. As to that has another permit to the car. And after media the telepress Buatino. As to Atlas or mining now Cinco Di Mario. And your first stamina to play. Come on, pa. I'm a Piasso, to be every payer. Yes, Mr. Wack, I don't know. We shall watch a bono, and this is our broadcast dress here. And that's some good talk, Ramaka. Well, yeah, investigation will be Amakas with CID pa. Hey, I'm right away. Yes, it's Mr. Wack. And the LED production team assisted by Orlando Blanson. And our familiarity, and Roberto Familiar, the finisher. Roland Anthony Boateng, Omuna Epodu Street Metero, and I'm touching the Posokra. Yeah, couldn't fear Tamunis of Napa, Nabi Piason, Netma Conkai. Now, what Toman Pachoco, Swarman messages no inflow. Also, Emma, among for Fescapa, Yas of Kitokra. Also, Sompa, the wood, they are not the same. You know the Tele Philip Quabrain Kumsa, aka El Celebro, and no mamma for. I was betting up no so bet to and also yes some of first campaigns of good talk now and now you know about Koso no so deep bet no was say I was so to me panafe Obeka dia Sompa aye esom atre na fe bipia so to makwenti me pacho so person with deep bet akati unia na unia so nkati nua wo de so with TV ne mewa ko Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM na me pacho mo enjoy wo Facebook no so and after Sompa TV or YouTube also, no more subscribe, no more the message in the bar. Now I risk can you decoder no? Obey Sompa TV. And so decoder also. Now for promoter sweatman, Josh, no come. I'm a be sweat to my no pay your taxi. And Tatino Posokra. And your Toro Taratoro. Me patron gentleman 10 town clinic at Tayati. And on a penny at Tassia. Your team and stamina to the bar. Me patron Mutia, or me a same word to my. And you know, word to my. Obo what team and on pay. Me patron the simple kaka and to clone the partners of Kitokra was so the baby the whole team to Matino, Obo swap the patron, the teleso pestia, Nemo Jeff the new bar, and now for Boa swap the patron, the new yin partners of Kitokra, Crab Benum, and Debia Tichma, and what was sent them home, and now for Sono, Fakota gentleman don't talk and economic catcher, one may yet to make come, and so Tababu and the Sino Pesua City Code and also over. Yet what any gentleman don't talk and economic, the patron. Kawankawa, Abasa was last year. Fakota gentleman don't talk and economic catcher, where someone in the Tiagra, or Cotocron Casota, a merchant for what to make Tiabro, not what to make your sin went to Macama, and so Tamano Pema be pierced to Macua Johnson, and then a UMP Bank Romano, Yawanes Rope, your total filling station, Yanamata is good at Tishanimu, and Yas of Kitokra, you put my pa, and no, gentleman don't talk and a Juma, one power as Santamama, and they can have, and I make a trust of how, and no quarter than what Tete, for quarter and a catch us to be Piasso, the Metuaque, and so Tamano Muni Coma, 055913. 9582 055913 9582 Yahuma. Go back to my friend gentleman don't talk and Kunafe. When in perform, that's what to make him come out. What matter man promoter and just some Kitokra. and the Atasia, the teacher Matena Sudepa, and Teba, Robert Tabonism now, and so Pacama Pama be person, that request one tamo, and to Robo Hana Quato Harisa, not for me person, not to be quay, now me Patoma me yas toothpaste, and a yas toothbrush, so the bear, me patrol, your gentleman dental clinica. Now, almost yes, I was cinema. We bet to my question of was no, went to me to the year, now for went to me and to my boss, no pine, until I make a toss, rum, not for quite yas brush, now yas brush and the quality planners of the talk of a beer. Me patrol, opens the brush and call me Kudijuma, and one who don't do piano, brush and a corner for cocky fee. And so the front of a whole sweat about come apart. It is all prepared to make my boy, woman say, one customer so you see, the patron bomber say yes, two brush and no, and I bet my picture coin, and of you put two pesta, a year, a drop papa, a timid possible buying, a ye fee, a who, a say, Emma, a say, a come out, and a year two pesta, and I make comfortable another person, bomber say, who bet my picture coin, your years total care, your years herbal care. And of your star, what yes, quite two pieces. I'm a patrolling now. Yes, for the temperature, so it is all prepared. And of a open two pieces. I can say yes, Dano, and also the Timmy Boat team, and on the quality payment to my bow. I'm not be pierced to my concurrent amount. Now I'm a patrol, me tell us all. What has the tell us no, and yes, some Ketroka connecting energies. Me patrol 4G Wi-Fi. I'm a patrol, you let us go with just so. I just say yes, some Ketroka. Tell us on the Japa. Baby, I'm a computer network. Baby, I'm a computer to my Facebook, Uber to my browser, Uber to my Twitter, Uber to my GB Plumber, and you must wait to my question tomorrow. And to tell us, no, Quantum 40 my finally. Not for fashion, how far? No one in the Tiakra, or Quantum Casota, be permit to my question tomorrow. Now 40 my final, 500 Ghana City pair, and I want to cockwager, now for me, Patuana 10 gigabyte of your data. Now be piaso et my question to my 40 my for near some 10 gigabyte of your data. Now for your show how far. I'm a be piaso to my question tomorrow. What has to be petrol room? I will tell us a retail outlet in Piana. Was some 40 my final now connected to my phones or connected to my laptops. Nothing. Wait to enjoy proper network. Come on. I'm a be piaso get my question 40 my for wait here. I was so piaso set to become if you say I am very mobile by Bible piano. Over to your call. Now for them, sweat by your penny and tell us all. Connecting energies, Nasa Ketokra, a family patron, Joy Cam Roofing, Company Limited, also 30, after saying Nasa Ketorano pay, Yamama common on enough, yet a minister of the bar, it is the what's the wood no one to lentil. What I say, no person put on as well, Fokuda Joy Cam Roofing. Na me catch so ya so body ni tiakra okoto kron kasota me pato de tedie ye chance de bo pota na so bawa eso ye finish so to eno ankasa road ho anofe e ma eso ne nkama time anofe ni na kire e ya fe ball over 500 years net said ye tell it here eti me pato ko joy ken no bo wota na so bawo omo expert o metuma pota na so bawo omo quality roofing sheets ye IBR ye self lock ye IDT ye Eurotas, and of Alozink, and I me patron me piano, me patron the room, and some Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited, Kumasia, Womachakai, I was Sokoman and Pame, woman the police station, the team Shanimu, and of Utru Sunane, Utru Kai, Utru Akra, and Asam Utru Bogatanga Tamale, Wabe Pia, Ubatu Piano, Piasa Joy Cam, ye put my Pani and Incoma, 0551 00 9000 0551 9000 Yahoma. Ubet to my friend Joy Cam Roofing Company Limited. Now for them 24. As some get to come to Mother Momotati. Yeah, Baba Common on enough. Get to my next of the bar. I'm a be person. Get to my concain to make a toss. Yeah, impulse have Bamastano. Not on the number part of a catros. Impulse a Bamaster. A draw. Just a wood number. A bomb come on your thing. Am I got Tibia to put the pension piano? A bepom. I saw your tunnel. Not your feet pensionable. No one castle so Tatansia Pasampa. Must I impulse a Bamaster? And you're talking and you're drawn no say, nothing to the package, a body papa, a nipper pie, and the figure wall, nothing at Tibia Swa, and to put the pensionable. I said to my power, you attend your feet pensionable, don't be a Posta ba master ni to me kan fo ntamo o ma bi ato no bia no on sa be kan posta ba master no no wetuma no no popo na me ka trust be bia be koye na so ntamo in post pharmacy e wo kode na wutu aye official kode a na me patom aye ye ne matter the school the teacher ne mo o person to profutro ana so person to bibitro a de afupa body tafama wutu a faso enso aye imposter pharmacy tiwra ho ne kotu no ne so free ho na imposter ba master no padu no to a ene doctor opose in the trono ene komo 0246 2896 0246 2896 ya homa obetuma fe opose in the trono imposter ba master na for ne perifo enso netment komo to monoma ene no promoter ti afi ma me fanto ne master petue le patron na price ne ba fasika ene price ne me so Bianco Fesica or Betway, a ye toro taratoro, and your subcatocra, me patron getaway more, and one in Betway, www.betway.com.gh with the raw, now for the patron details about a Betway, what's what man to me patron download to Apple or phone so. Betway app no download to our phone so na wo download to ya na me pato wo koso na fa weta wo bet no na me ka so ya so body ni tiakra okoto kron ka so ta Betway heavy wo bo betuma pa nya se ketokra Betway kwam ene bet na pa o ma the opportunity to set automatic cash out and so our phone so open the opportunity to set automatic cash out to our phone so and one Betway e more say the me pato anytime piano match be wo bet no ubetuma maximum profit of year matches the what bet no fe pipiasom that to question to Betway there that piano every woman in blood is go bottom every woman in piano sika namu and one Betway super fantastic original Betway betuma pa and now some talk continue no pay what I team na ya trust ya get them on next time so pa live in the quarter super mekata 93.1 ko Facebook ko so o ko Facebook ko so Sompa 93.1 FM now follow now share now follow to message the pa and no pay back kan and some that about we to better so ama be plus to ko no me patron Manchester would to be plus to me ko so and when you wear phantom plus the kinimo na me patron give back no to be tota na no thing me patron El Estadio Santiago Bernabéu to the Spania I want them patron get to bobo ko mo trafie wo mo na Atletico to bobo ko so the Bani and we are Madrid derby I me patron no so to be to ya I know say and just to Plantia, the ten Rontico to Conta Sofa promoted to me to Atra, and Margelman to Mobocono, and of our Branta the thing, and to the children of Forest, Abateka, and Atletico to Mobocono, and of a Moroccan international, already ten buying test after Qatar, and put the second goal, the winning goal, and then Margelman to Mobocono, and the patron came in the Korea, Margelman to Mobocono, promoting, and sweat to the winning camera, prepare to Maconkain, and the Margelman to Mobocono, now the patron Monfa, Branta for the buying test. Why you capture a queen fast so extra go no from the stance? Why I am a patron the video angle of a brand free buying tears the corner was say Emra Adbar Gilman to Mobo con patron fit no. F2 TV so rescue to Kotano or rescue to Kotana Obina Sompa TV now for what to enjoy a phone call Facebook Kodaswa Sompa 93.1 FM now follow our share now to message to the pardon of Pebek and Kai and so Tama we have to the Sompa 93.1 FM or Facebook Kodaswa follow Nessa now for message to the pardon of Pay Yabak and Kai Tama Sompa TV and some our YouTube no subscribe now for what to message to the pardon of Pay Yaban want to be Pearson never to way to the swap and that's the talk to me. I planted for the pay after Qatar Tias Nicole and Ra when I hear and so to my Gilman to Mobocono, quite I planted the fast on the fay, what a tree, no bomb on fat to finish the time, and my Bonoco to the left side, the last pole of a young let to come out to form a goalkeeper already to the channel back a faso, a bump patron Bono, goalkeeper the swing to Manoshe. What a fantastic player, and that's the talk to the bomb and still the buying Tias, the patron the corner. To my panel, my man from to the Muslim, no star Brantia, the Federico Santiago Fanfadi di Peter, El Hakon Pompazo, turning off the Fedi Fanfadi, also now, the Brantia to be Pokemon, and the Margelman to Mobocono, no more patron the no 70th minute to the game appointed the team and then fending for the player and the medical team no as a bear assessing appointed the fending for nothing or metro send me atuma appointed metro recover nothing with tuma this weekend and also or metro prepare for the me atuma retaliate encounter against Atletico to Momokono ama be person let me question tama Real Man to Momokono never mana Real Man to Momokono when you training already telling Carlo Michel and Carlo and Stalotti Caleto to the for the Carlo slot to monitor and the Real Man to Momokono engineer pastor playing against Atletico to Momokono who may will most whom promote chow now I am Nefisa Watia who never run against Atletico to Momokono and yes to talk already train and the Carlo slot to the pastor or some boys no as to be resting in Yamiatuma and then there's a Gilbert to Momokono one may train to be pierced with Makwe and the Gilbert to pierce no would after they came in coach already king and the Carlo Michel and Carlo and Stalotti Caleto Kakra one the money to Gilbert to Momokono to the Kakra
to take them.
It's not a big advantage, but we are quite satisfied because we have to fight the second leg. But with this advantage, I think that we can have the confidence necessary to move on.
The two goal scorers tonight, Brahim stepping in for Jude Bellingham, and I know Rodrigo gets spoken about a lot as being maybe the most underrated
years, and so it's still his competition. He's a fantastic player, and he can put to the quality a fantastic effort for the team, and we are really pleased.
You said in the press conference yesterday that this position do you feel your side are in going into next week?
The same. It will be open game. Nobody knows what could happen there. And, as I said, we are quite satisfied, not too much, to have this little advantage, but we know that it will be really, really difficult.
Yes, it's the way I have some already to the Carlos slot manager. Adatuja also to the passer game na to be taught talent here. Real Man to Momokono goes no munya no ama me patoma yo okay kakra na so they are not really okay because na me atuma retaliate encounter no and also toja retaliate gono no problem no gono until Real Man to Momokono because we get to maintain the player me patoma to maintain qualification ama be piasom that wa kwe and so to Real Man to Momokono momoka say a really difficult encounter and we to our Estadio Winter Metropolitano to Madrid, España. Nami atuma retaliate encounter na and also to against Atletico to Momokono 2 years sama me pato ready king and so ne kalo as law to manager and the Real Man to Momokono Waba Mountain and on a person to ye want to maso to Mabu to so life in the court is super mekata 105 and that's 93.1 FM. Now we follow now share now to message to the Pampacho me front to Uram, that's what Real Man to Momokono so ya. The Pataway good news, and so the Real Man to Momokono already to the Jude Victor William Bellingham Bellico, to the Freddy to Bellingham, and so the wet motor what I say, Patama Roof is under gamer, and also to the Tota, and now there's some already to the Bellingham Timothy Kai, and the Real Man to Momokono, no one Namia Pro Retalic encounter already to the Bellingham Bia Flapo, or Bopatuma, and so the Real Man to Momokono, and 20 Kakami Patano pay, a full Real Man to Momokono. And on the screens, on your TV, they are brought to the prime tears at the Qatar. I'm a patrostia Canada to Momokono, Quay of Fashion, not for Twitter, let it come up to Momokono, and that's time the Patrobo. Again, the last goal, the winning goal, and so the Margama to Momokono, cast and let it come up to Momokono. Yes, it way I brought for the prime at the Qatar tears. What a goal! What a wonderful goal, the part of the Moroccan international. And just have to talk with and I'm Patro ready, and Antoine Griezmann, the Congress Griezmann, total for Antoine Griezmann. Was saying, and about letting come out to Momokono, and was saying, well, come on, Peter say, when you are brought here for the killing the puppy, where in the teammate, our first national team last year. When you say they are brought to the first one for the ball, we enjoy a planting for the killing the proper power. And if I brought for the finish your junior, so when you say finish your junior, the other power, Master Temple, Pessoa Triple, what I said, an inch here, the fair, campaign of first support the game to Margama to Momokono. That's one no one assassin no Bomono, Nipa Bako, or the weakness by the Mrayo, I am planted for Rodrigo the coast, or second, the Margama to Momokora say, I planted for Rodrigo. When you appear or pen or tempiano, or you come on the ball. Now I chronic thinking fast, or you're very fast on the ball. And Tony I planted for Rodrigo, as well Papa Dempiano, I planted to now MP2 or Metal. I don't know. And to be say, I planted for Rodrigo to be used to the body intelligence. I did not the first goal. And so that about to Momokoro was a planted for Rodrigo. I am underrated. You instead of for respect to the man planted for Rodrigo, sir. That's what to the pastor, Master Assassin, so say, one of the best players was Assisua. I am planted for Rodrigo, the ghost was Sakai. And so the man to Momokoro. And he has to the patrolity and Antoine Christmas, the Con Christy Cresu, Tono for Antoine Christmas was Sakai. And so the Atletico to Momokoro Mountain, and on a pain, that's what about Tuta. Yeah, what to Masu Tamo, we had to matter so. It take a canon of Pedaso Parano, Naman Patoma from to the Massa, yeah, yet to make a cow, ask the Momokoro Master, and now I brought for the Nelton, Etan Wandari, and you pro Sakai, and about ask the Momokoro, promoted to be Yanko, and about ask the Momokoro Makato, Wababa, the fourth youngest A player, the patron just the age, one of 18 one of a. And that's one of the things more. No one go. And so to many to no cast stage. After them, I brought to Etan Wanari on starting record no says or writing the day or writing the history. And so you have for Champions League no now don't fear for Lewis Calino or no switch me man assess. I will tell you go. And I ask the Bobo Kurapena, ask the Bobo Kureti PFV and Tom for Bobo Kono, Echo Mokan song. Almost no, I take care of Paco. Now, my main fan to the Mr. Dog Timer. Now, sir, and Quaway, or Bobo form, let the Bobo ask the Bobo Could and Claim Mr. came from ask the Bobo could picture the tattoo Facebook Could where you are planted for the Eton Waneri, and of our planted the Tenel Louis Kelly. Down to almost started ask the Academy, no, when we are Cracker Well shall bear 5 years. What I said almost started with Jenny, and about ask the Bobo Could, the Pato picture, and the tattoo Facebook Could and Yasam to talk with the last timer. Ask the Bobo Could. Biggest win when you went for Champions League and you went back 207. Abram Paton, the Mokote Slavia Prague, Etomo Council, Amman Paton, Slavia Prague, and Tomanoshe. This time around, ask the Mokote Tomako away. I will not cast stage of the competition. The Patrometoma Pomate, and Swetomako PFV and Don Farmokono, Etomo Council, Wamoso Tekana Paco, it asked the Mokono, Wamosu Goson, Wamo Yatuma, Wamo Patuma Panas, and Ketoko ready to be killed. And the terminal, and the charges, no more yet to my I asked them to talk to Kakra, and on a prefer UEFA Champions League Motion Empire. They went to my son to my way to my so, and my ref is said, a year Toro Taratoro, the patrolling for Pumokoro, Wamosu Jacono, Paris and Timamokono Jacono, and asked them to talk to them on Patrol between Yelman to Momokoro, and on fame, Atletico to Momokoro, Wobo to my qualifier, O Quacosia, and I asked the Momokoro, and when the quarter-final stage of the UEFA Champions League, then yes, get to an open thing, the Patoma front to the Mustang and the Liverpool came in a total and chapter the name, nobody peer to Momokoro. Now, me Pato time, I live for Momokoro, Womo free English and Mutumaba, Womo control Paris, me Pato Vitono, and the Jato TV National, Sompa 3.1 FM, and what Facebook could now follow, now share, now to a message to the pa, and offer some party for YouTube and also, now I subscribe out to a message to the Parono pay, you're making count of manual rescue. Kotano, Oba enjoy some Pakama. I'm a person that my acquaintance live for Pumokono. For the game and then you may also enter Tano and you take fit to this one to Facebook and then Pachakumus already turn on a slot on your manager and so Tamale for Pumokono, Obama Panomota planted for the Cody Matthias Capo and the upper now Obu Busasa, the Pachamusasa already take any Cody Capo, Pacho Cody Capo with the number, yet you so with pa now planted the Messiah Kain Tamale for Pumokuna and also when you start I planted the bare fit now bet to Messiah Kain, get the Mali for Panasa. Want to be second or almost set up to the pastor the pair. Medicate to the bit to my apprentice to my commander, sir. So when you know what to recover apprentice for the Cody Gapa, or also let me say, I can't tell you for Pumokoro. It's a 50-50 apprentice to my board game, and that's what to be more and family for Pumokoro. And then Pachukumus already to the national say, getting Paris and to the Momokoro or Philistine. That was a Paris and to the Momokoro. Now, Tenaka live for Pumokoro, 2 options. Almost, yeah, Paris and to the Momokona, what makes you perfect? Now we say kind the money for Liverpool now. Then piano also to be pop big games. The PSG came in big game. Liverpool Liverpool it was a player Sompa where a big player I will pay to the soul. Now I come with Peter Sasanka we are at today and you really to be caught the money for Liverpool. Now so there was a place need to be Sompa almost a kind and so the money for Liverpool where you already to the slot monitor and so the money for Liverpool one of Montana the person about to when we are already king and we are Rica Martinez Castelluccio on your monitor that about Paris and Timber Liverpool and was here front to Pedro so come on Piate some patronage break came at Totano Master live for Liverpool in terms of your counter attack when we are one of the best ever Europe Monteso. Na tema kwa awasa PH bobo kono ye ene sa osumu timi impose almost time e will live for bobo kono snafe omo make sure say live for bobo kono omo entiment transit omo quick transition omo ye no omo tuma stop omo tumi stop quick transition in there what didn't pass a PH bobo kono omo they make me comfortable pitch so no for me to impose almost time e will live for bobo kono so ama be pass to ma PH bobo kono where you sama already tell we are Ricky Martinez Castello to manager and so to appear to Bobo Kuroma Mountain and other person about to the pattern ref for the David Massa or free Italy or no another referee about Montana for no sweat to mention what about them at the markets na bra live for Bobo Kono I'm going to appear to Bobo Kono penny I will pack the President de Paris I'm going to be sweat to Makonkai now report on the Premier Second Protester already tell we are Ricky Martinez Castello or person and cooperating the 4 attackers I will attack against live for Bobo Kono and then a brand for the Victor Kwaraskeria no attack Osman Dembele it's attack Desire Due no attack now for brand for the Bradley Makola switch attack what did the process for place way a be on Bobo make my team to live for Bobo Kono I'm a live for Bobo Kono to remember and the Patomu you so counter attack it way until we are Ricky Joseph, the better party, the 4 attackers now against Liverpool Kono. No man patrol daily way. I am a patrol lineup already king. Not only we Ricky manager at Mapia to Mobo party against Liverpool Kono. Goalkeeper for the Taluki kick it to Naruma. At top of the Mapiaji, Hakimi Akraf Mua, Elstate, Marcos Marquinhos Korea, a brand for the William Pacho, a Fernando Mendes, Master Tikamino, after a brand to the Tilijao, Neves Gonzalo, and so Master. After Victor Ferreira Makeita, turning off for Vitinha, already to the Faberus Di Pina, and after Victor Kwaraskeria, already to the Somali Dembele, else that could not temple now for Bronte the day, and then Bradley Makola said changes better Bama, the better Passa Bronte for the Victor Kwaraskeria, and better bench nothing, a Bronte for the Desire Due, Astate. I'm going to be persuaded to make way at the PM to Bobo Kurintaneka car. I don't know Sompa, now I'm talking about Patrol for Bobo Kurima, and less than Ramsay Pekka, and Tomu. Not already to the Paima Konate, a Fenfete Van Dyke, Ante Robertson, Ryan Gavinbat, Alexis McAllister, Mohamed Mahmoud Magreb Salakali, Turuno for the Mosala, Dominic Soboslai, already to Luis Fernando Marulanda Diaz, Turuno for Luis Diaz, and for Diogo Dos Santos Tercera, Jota, Turuno for Diogo Jota. Way any players are the patrol possibly almost started against PH Bobo Kurenani and Yansam Kitro Kranube Tepa. Now reported on the Premier Second Protester live for Bobo Kono, or not joining race now for the signature of a brand for the Kingsley Coleman. I'm a patrol second Bermud to Bobo Kono, also Bermud to pay for placing a price tag on a brand for the Kingsley Coleman between 25 and 45 million euros. A bit of a person that me at my next season, one of the wingers already to a slot. I'm a person a brand for the Kingsley Coleman Sokawo, or better my free Bermud to Bobo Kono. I'm a second so Tamali for Bobo Kono. Now me at my Karabawa Cup and between Liverpool and Newcastle United Bobo Kono, and you confirm a brand for Anthony Gordon, or second Newcastle United Bobo Kono, on to be second against Liverpool Bobo Kono, a reporter on the pay, and also bar. You want to make some that I'm here to make the snowbomb, me Patro Karabawa Cup, Refina, me Patro Benjamin Fay, went to my told them to my casino, and fan promoting that's what to put the theater but the sound referral me patch me the picture that's what they to Facebook restaurant TV that's not fair what to enjoy that be person that to go to Facebook restaurant or Facebook restaurant Sompa 93.2 for now follow share now to message to the bar and now from me patch YouTube no I Sompa TV now subscribe now to message no and so bar no pay me want to I'm be person that to question we to the so now me patch referral and perform for the side me atuma Karapawa Kapali for Pobo Kono woman Newcastle get to Bobo Kono never pano woman channel for one toy them and so for my casino I ref for the Tom Brooks or no that a ref and professor at my point for Karapawa grand finale and who told me to Newcastle and not for Pobo Kubu say why no better match UEFA Champions League no or Cinema Pass Champions League no team B our free England better match so Liverpool kono better within the session the Blanca Sampa one better UEFA Champions League no was what shall we Liverpool kono fast deal here with the Real Madrid kono attend to me patron pass out PSG kono Emma Liverpool kono reach the grand finale but for one quarter what tournament patron UEFA Champions League no I am some already Peter Crouch former player Emily for Pobo that time no sir Emily for Pobo Peter Crouch and on the picture no that's what TV national Sompa TV na fei o channel to message this one I'm the person that to conkai na me patche ko basta Bobo ko so so here basta Bobo ko chakono and then numrei enya sem ketokra ano be the UEFA Champions League no obi abomo test masa obetuma qualify na fei went to the next stage of the competition Benfica Bobo ko no and basta Bobo ko the body 8 p.m. and I start to already to the Venezuela and then referee obetuma to them to my cancelo and I fei by mountain Bobo ko no woman by all falling fakus Bobo ko no and also tell to start game way master said the man for interest now and yes them ketokra already to my Oliver and then referee obetuma for what to them to my cancelo and no me patch already to Oliver Khan as you for to pay them say or shall face company pa no show already to the champion Alonso come here say one shot two less no ko we no na be munchi Bobo ko the finance won tinima pass players omusa kan gadaba be munchi Bobo ko experience obo no won betuma boa na ma be piaso to ko e adaba be munchi Bobo ko no final Rotterdam final for motomosa and ya fe Inter Milan Bobo ko ntwai aya me patro Manchester wodoa na and so to taye wantuma atim na ma no pay me say na amanfo so be festika amanfo be festika na se to kura Philippine Cool Satrase atase Prince Buantino one more bunch of pioneers of Ketokranti Nodoroma Mawafidi na and Yasem Ketokra me patron me catch us a time Heba Mestano and also Jason Buddha malaria also air condition moves will be the same good boat Nasa Usa Awaya to say malaria ya banti Momodis time Heba Mestano was subject to my cabinet for what man no never be able to acquire so time Heba Mesta waposo won't in the dia Pomodis subject to my cabinet na me catch us the malaria more number who I will much and mumbe turning their free petremo after time HH Heba Mestano wunya piano no me patch boost to immune system no and mama common way day ama ya debia dukuni potero sweat metane and you finish Pochenimo and from Mano, Opasa, see what ya, and your time, HH Babos to the Binum, Namekacha so Tatanstano, that's what the Baba, now I don't know time, HH Babos to the time Babostano, oh, Pebi Ato, and that's all Peru to 0244 417669 0244 417669 Ahuma, Ubetimi, after time Babos Tamponi for nothing, Unomatin, come on, maybe a tone no piano, on Sa Ebekami Pato, oh yeah, a Papa wa, I was so to be yet Juma, for what they tie Ukraine, say, Ubetuma yet Juma, I was some one set to me Cassica Pudo, now me patron Tabi Rapanxi and Fanto Pianosa, and Mapa Wana Muya Juma, I will recognize institution by the Republic of Ghana, no more opportunity someone submit to my camp, the Bosia, I your friend of Papa scheme, yes, and get to Cranty, Winya Bia, now for what they started Juma for, now they are tie Bamano and in Cranati, Nessie Caswetman Perfie, it in Tabi Rapanx and Panabetumosia, what I say, no more catch Sawopa, Omo, Abamo, Bosnia, Cassia Part, so better be to Chuma, Ama be Piasom, that to my question, Tamo, Eti, a Quina Neta, a Quina near Piatumo, and Yas of Ketokra, all of it, I want to swap and your first deposit artist. I know say, way I am not done a schema, just a Tabura Bank Depa, first deposit way, Omo Patas as a Unia Soscabope, and not just a rescue Biabacano, a 100% secure artist, Ukrano, no better start the yard woof for our Pancom, I will be Piasom, that to my question, Tabobet me at the Aqua loan, and I say, Ubetma Aqua, collateral loan, I will be Piasom, that to my question, Tabanafe, yes, I will put trouble job for more, we put trouble job, yes, they be at this home, be account to so, I may go through and feel could ho ho, and so that Tabura Bank, I was said, be dropping Rabank, saying, what they say, oh yeah, but trouble job, what their baby accounts, who be accounts, all qualifies, will set me come on into dropping there, what one, I'm a Ghana settlemu, Ghana for assetemu, that's what to me, come a panel for some just what to my bar, now open a chaquaya, okay, just so bon rate, dropping estimating, and just one name, and for Roman Hill, and now Marzi, Sepetim Pomo from a shot at the Simon Bia, dropping Yaboa, Yem Pachima, everyone will be better loan Nemo, they will dropping us of the 20 and income 0271 40 93 40, 0271 40 93 40, Homa, Ubet to my friend, dropping Rapakafe, when in perform, that's what estimating come out, I'm a be Piasom, that to my question, Tamo. Now, me patron says, who person credit to party, your copa, and do super big bonga. Ah, now, Papa, new room, and some, they will tell you so, connecting energies, what you say, and that's some to talk, a beer kakra, any bottom, we get cocky to a beer kakra to my bottom, the patron, Papa, say, the piano, on submit to my car with chip, no, tell us our chip, now for you, now you swear a banner bundle, and of a banner credit, I would hear called the Baby Buddha, a busu or phone so, and one understand what talent 5 star 530. Now what the house in their trust no me so boss say we be not options ni be pray and no I am a patron made for me bundle. I tell you so. And so there by star 530. Now the house ne pay so made for me bundle. We be not be brave bundle cashier. Now town phone so now for us to me call credit. Now for the show how far. Tell you so connecting energies. That's a bit to another room. What are you cheaper? And me akwamu ne ye baby team come out. I'ma be piasom that to my concam Buantino. Or what to say?
Let us Nyankopa
Prince Buantino.
Yes. We had it.
Philip, oh yeah. So Apostle the tone channel.
Oh yeah.
Apostle. But I want to say, yeah, you didn't go past, and everything come up. That's where you are. And now, on says a boys are bano. You hear direction. And now you been your penny in terms of your finances. Where you expert how to direct your life, how to make investment, how to manage your finances.
Oh, and I think it's a basic and
so that be
a boy is
say enra mo fesika.
Yes.
And that's no fesika. Enti I was say wo benyo bia nimdie mo no nyankopɔ adom no. A obetuma boa mo betuma manage sika sem ye. What as enti na apostle Saka no bio.
Oh,
so just a Sompa. Apostle no. We are sporting director.
Or both Minyo Raiola. Yoga Mendes combined.
And a Fabio Paratici.
Paratici the only FM we have.
Na no koye India fede
and Minyo Raiola.
Okay. Medasi. Wadaroma yenim komo.
Okay,
Prince.
Nice one. Open you must that we enra games ni BTV Basu in the UEFA Champions League. Boys na nije ni nyina na enra games na the moment. Ene yesabe room. Until everyone should stay tuned. Obi a wonya mind o make sure so obeba no aba be twen because enen so yesade to aso enye ade aye baako pe bi na bi edi twem there bi. Just like your shots and about 5 times in year and I did be aba boys no motiri no motiri the internet so beto aso but enra game na course no penyi mami nwa mu kakra na memfa mesi enen so unse enra the biggest game was Real Madrid playing against Atletico Madrid me and somebody be brave if I this game ho e wo ha say enra the history the background and everything Eddie Beruami bedrew the former ekuta these two teams no and how in recent games na omu games no etimi ending in a draw empo no na ekoi ba se obenya win na just a game na travel into extra time nti enra me rua game ni mu bedre but ade ba akon ye mengo after the game ni time I me game no look Madrid, they keep they keep surprising us. They don't follow the logic of football. Real Madrid, they do not follow the logic of football. This is the reason to America say no. Openyi, obi no game ni bibia straight away, starting lineup ni beto no. We were thinking, and even the probable lineup near Jane said, this game will play into the hands of Atletico Madrid because of the starting lineup. Na Madrid the best here.
Okay.
Because he didn't say actually Madrid were having two players omunye fully fit. Federico Valverde and then Antonio Rudiger. You come into the midfield. Near Busia who said the midfield no two players bend and they hold down the Madrid midfield. I have brought here friend Danny Ceballos and then Jude Bellingham. They were both out of the game. And now clearly you feel say the game is being played into the hands of Atletico Madrid because they were having every particular player biana ombe here be available with the exception of Aspilicueta and then Koke. Enra Mekanwa Koke has been benched by a branch friend Pablo Barrios and Aspilicueta even if he is fully fit, there is no way Obetu Marcos Llorente. In the Enra game now Atletico Madrid were going into the game with their full arsenal. But yet, just like I said, Madrid will keep defining all us and breaking down the logic of football. Because what we are, and now you both game you offer the statistics of the game. Game there was no way. Madrid and the team dominated the game. Baby and Madrid about 52% of the game. Listen to this, Madrid about 52% of the game. On your total attempt of 13, Emma Atletico Madrid just 6. You see how it is. But Obia or show again with the eye test could clearly feel the game was favoring Atletico Madrid. Atletico Madrid were the ones no mobile game near the ball net to attack it properly. But here again, Madrid now dominating in terms of possession. On an most shots at goal. And the social game now with the eye test it doesn't go with the statistics of the game. Because me person me musa this genuine question. Why the bet me a catch me say Madrid 4 players bare 5 be enra they were on top of their game. Won't be more 5 enra Madrid players are not on top of their game. Only 3 because enra Thibaut Courtois one shot down your Juma Bibro game and at the back line only a branch friend Federico Valverde and a come out to the party. We clearly saw say a branch friend Antonio Rudiger now the fitness level on hano. In FIFA honum Ibrahim Diaz because enwa abrante friend Eduardo Camavinga na any dance on the bet transitive midfield went me amobon Tchouaméni was a bit okay but now in the midfield was Ibrahim Diaz and in attack Kylian Mbappe and Vinicius was absent in the game. It was only abrante friend Rodrigo. In the entirety of the 90 minutes Madrid 3 players and they showed their method they came up with something in the shape of Federico Valverde in the midfield Ibrahim Diaz and in attack Rodrigo. But yet, one and win the game. It is Madrid.
Yeah.
So clearly, Madrid will keep defining all us, and also they'll keep breaking the logic of football. It doesn't make sense when Madrid plays in the game of Champions League. So and we be nehu in me and shada nyame nwa bebre. And in the game Arsenal so boy yes sir. Arsenal won that game by 7-1. Let's congratulate Arsenal. Because the game na between Arsenal obi ohwe bia game na obi ahode mro ne yankusu in terms of watching the game not about the scores on for statistics nento so in terms of the game na no na two teams ni na obi ahode mro ne yankusu because ye no na possession 50-50 oh yeah
obi ahwe obi
me ka kire wade bi so tie de me kana game ye na possession 50-50 total attempts PSV make it 12 Arsenal make it 14 so Oshaya on say no so ebo ho but adeba ko eno Arsenal here was what an enim so betimi aye no goals omo share because it time when Abrante friend Leandro Trossard Mikel Merino this were the attacker Arsenal the call even omo Kai Havertz Bukayo Saka mokwa ni Martinelli mu no omo share goals no do saying. So we were having that doubt. So Arsenal betimi enya these goals, but then Arsenal were very, very clinical. And their defense came to the party. William Saliba, Gabriel Magalhaes. Because PSV and Dovin so created a lot of chances, but the defense were at work. David Raya mo Esewu and when the ball went up front, they made sure said the attackers no so be clinical. Nwaneri Trossard and Abrante Fen Merino mo. It mean your goals need the more. Muntiama Arsenal ba so bet yentu ebo. omo kasa o match 7 e bi in the UEFA Champions League so obi ko away e kwahye 7 no enti o betimi ayi bi Mr. omo nto omo bo omo nto omo bo any days here yeah ball my baso bet omo nto omo bo honom now yemu en game ni mu Arsenal fans Mr. Heno obi ane manko yemu en game ni mu and there are a lot of big games I have be Sunday but my men pick the Barcelona Benfica game no openyi Yemu Barcelona and Benfica in this phase of the UEFA Champions League Meshia. And in the last game of boy, you know how game is very fun. Goals coming here and there. Mistakes are lead to goals. Individual brilliance. Everything that you want from a footballing game, no, that game gave us in the Champions League. Emma me bekaye say at the end of that round na boy no, my best game was the game at Benfica and Barcelona boy. And yet again they are going to meet. Me feel it at the it is true. Benfica in a way when it comes to European football, I am a boogie side because at least they have some record and history in the UEFA Champions League. Into a boogie side, just like Omusia Barcelona, Omuma Yehu Yeno. But I have this feeling. One who the starting lineup, I likely say, Papa, your friend Bruno Lage the Beshasian. Injuries, Kakra, Habobukua, your from Benfica. So Benya winning the Atoswam, Pesenki and Hono Kakrebi. Injuries, idea a bit very good. This is the starting lineup or the Beba. Thomas Arohu and the Bobo number 2. But to himself on a good day, nay a branch of a ba. And the ball on the Alexander Ba is what I'm talking about. Alexander number 2 no. But and the injury into me more. Oh, they are also two on my. Let's not forget Florentino Luis in the midfield. No, not there. The main man, the midfield machine, the one that Obe make sure say if their team is not in possession, Obe break it down the attack of any other opponent. You know, or not so say out. This is the boy I'm talking about. And Onunsu for Onuma, I heard the Maria. Fine wine. Oh, no, get it better. Or no say out on me mobi. And everyone who agree to it. Say a branch a friend I heard the Maria Bobia. A different game altogether because he has seen this stage, he has been there over and over again, and he has performed wonders at this stage over and over again. And in a way, I feel say the injury situation between Haboboko from Benfica Kakra because even in the game of board the first one, when they had their Arsenal with the exception of Di Maria and the Crowd, I was saying Barcelona ended up winning that game. And besides, on the other side for Barcelona and so Penny, this particular season, the firepower Kuta Barcelona, no one can bring it down. Barcelona Bobo, not say, uye team. That's when defending one making sure so be control the game. Aji game never Barcelona and Sam. Now more munya a few day to operate in the midfield. I brought a friend Pedri ever game no more. Say Frankie Dion on the ball, say Daniomo, say Gavi, and answer Fermin Lopez. Whoever they play in the midfield, if you give them a few day, believe you me, they will come at you with full force. And Omo firepower ne kuto annual day. Rafinha is scoring, Lewandowski is scoring, even Ferran Torres scored free bench bar. Look at the number of goals or the Barcelona team no. And Lamine is still there. So for me, I feel say the firepower Ekutomo and then the teamwork Ekuta Barcelona no is going to do the magic for them yet again tonight. I say in comparison to Madrid, Madrid were quality. Imape, Rodrigo, Vinicius, but what your game individuality near more. But when you talk of Barcelona attack now, Rafinha. He plays together with Lamine Yamal and Robert Lewandowski. Okay. Team bond they know. So always they make sure say they get the best out of each other. And no any the tricker Barcelona for it me so I feel say and no or meet me there Juma. Bayer Leverkusen any Bayern Munich game a very difficult do. But yet I feel say it is going to be very difficult for Bayern Munich to win. The last is look a big game. And a war on them because in these two teams, no, you name how almost here dominant. Bayern Munich, their last 6 games, so many air Bayer Leverkusen abon, or Munich 3 I draw, Bayer Leverkusen winning 3. And the most important thing will be Anfantuni trim no. The last time I win Biba Muno, and I said the last game Bayer Leverkusen call Bayern Munich at home, boy, you know. It was a game they won by a goal to 0. In this warrior, Bayern Munich is finding it difficult to win against Bayer Leverkusen. But Bayer Leverkusen said to me winning games, so clearly they are going to try their possible best to replicate this same feat. And I feel say with how in the Champions League near Mekodema Bayern Munich, no, if they are not careful, Bayer Leverkusen will bring that surprise on what they Bayern Munich in the Bundesliga yet again. But it is not a game. I bet me I can say Bayer Leverkusen very. But for me, I feel that the tide is slightly tilted towards Bobuku from Bayer Leverkusen.
Yo, me that's Sir Prince, Buantino the Aten Kano. Was it Betway Toro Taratoro on the other side? Our Facebook no so was it Betway Toro Taratoro. Where Anahojo. What the message about Douglas was say more fire little Ken and question alone was say more fire or say Arsenal sympathizers are noise makers. That's why they are not winning silverware at this point. In front of Douglas now they Arsenal for my day more fire latest intelligence Joseph J Owusu Casimiro the message no ababedru amount for 2 January Facebook no supanya secretary kra question Alonso yedasipa thank you for your contributions. Joseph J Owusu Casimiro say we want you guys to doubt us that we will all see what will transpire. Let's pray for long life to witness Arsenal lifting the UEFA Champions League this season. Okay.
This season.
Aye. And I showed you, Philip. I'd say. Jose. Now Philip, me person me busa say ate.
No, nye there should be an air.
Me person me busa say Arsenal for muma will bet be say yana.
Oh, not really.
But I say
we are connoisseurs of
we
sit here to tell listeners what will happen. We project.
But you win the Champions League.
I'm out for debate. I'm fast. So we'll constantly project and trust us. The reason why you should watch Sompa Sports.
Okay.
And the reason why you should listen to Sompa Sports.
Hey, Indonesia ni be here from Indonesia. Now the bro for all say, hey, me from Indonesia, Mister. The message on the
I like that. And
on the Facebook.
Anyway, my started with Liverpool ni Paris Saint-Germain. So what watch Paris Saint-Germain? I did what Paris Saint-Germain currently and said team no need prima donna. There is no prima donna at Paris Saint-Germain. Yakas will be a prima donna. I say Obia or baby I say office or no so chain even the boss on the age man. Somebody who has a lot of egos.
Somebody
who has a lot of egos. What watch Paris Saint-Germain started your project under Carlo Ancelotti. At a point, they brought in Neymar when Neymar was at his peak. Neymar, during the contract, at a point, Neymar year training credit, Neymar. That was the contract they gave Neymar. Neymar, it was free will send them person call Brazil. Neymar was chance to choose games or no person when he left Barcelona to Paris Saint-Germain. So Neymar was a prima donna. But when prima donnas never more Paris Saint-Germain, it was their worst season. When they had Messi, Mbappe, Neymar. You know more egos. A bad thing so much together because who is a superstar, maybe a superstar. I will never control to your demands. The Ubeka Samenya, Minyana is some pass ya, Metra is a meshe. And that was the easiest means, Emma Paris Saint-Germain. They were constantly failing in Europe. In terms of squad assembling, no, Omar is some the best of squads.
Yeah.
They had Edinson Cavani, Javier Pastore, and again they had Ibrahimovic. Very potent attack. At the back line, Omunya Marquinhos, Enya Thiago Silva, Enya David Luiz, and Yejuma. This is a team, in terms of stardom, superstardom, no, constantly they buy superstars to their lineup. But this time around, the storyline is quite different. Now, don't get it twisted. Paris Saint-Germain current team, no, there are no superstars in the team. Players no more Paris Saint-Germain. Superstar bia ni ho. Vicha Varaskilia na ye kana sembebre no. Afi no Calvin nature man ho. Why go saying him Vicha Varaskilia? Why you constant, why you consistent for how many years at Napoli and so joining Paris Saint-Germain? And about Paris Saint-Germain, is it even the face of Paris Saint-Germain? No. There are no prima donnas at the team.
Okay.
And what watch here this season against Arsenal, it was a game Omunya Usman Dembele pa. But Dembele was late to training for 1 minute. Luis Enrique said, "Baby, under my reign, we need team ni be more." So do you know what he did? Oma Ousmane Dembele it's now Paris. No, they team no echo, and that is Emirates. Oko lose 2-0. And in the post-match presser, I say funny. The fact that winning board does not mean say you are. So he is a disciplinarian. Adiama Paris Saint-Germain, flourish, coach na friend Luis Enrique no. Enrique I instill discipline at the team at the club. And now and Mbappe there is no Messi, there is no Neymar. They are doing well. And I want to watch Paris Saint-Germain in their last games. They play without a number 9. They only recognize number 9 in the team. Gonzalo Ramos. Now they had Randall Colomwani, but Randall Colomwani has been loaned to Juventus. Now guess what? In there, Otumibovic Varaskilia, Bradley Bacola, this boy Ousmane Dembele, and I can tell you, Ousmane Dembele at Paris Saint-Germain, the best season here since was starting in football. Or Dortmund or Barcelona. What is the problem? At a point in time at Barcelona, you see that then
say Ousmane Dembele.
He was very indisciplined.
The best year, and
the best season. The numbers are very good. This season is
23 goals in all competitions.
And this season
is the best.
Yes, he is getting the best of numbers. One last one who says Ousmane Dembele near these numbers. But under Luis Enrique is stretching the Ketu Ebino. Luis Enrique stretching Ousmane Dembele Ketu Ebino. Ousmane Dembele has sat what's in the so and he has sat up. And the reason is very simple. Discipline. Wherever there is discipline, what are the hard work Ketu Ebi, you get there. And Paris Saint-Germain current to me, I can tell you for a fact, say, current Paris Saint-Germain team no, who changed the Paris Saint-Germain under Ibrahimovic, that is Pura, Javier Pastore, Ezekiel Lavezzi, this team, who changed that team. Because the results of Munyes say no. And also French Ligue 1, the big three in France, that is Monaco, Lyon, Marseille, or more Porto. Is here they are no match to Paris Saint-Germain. Paris Saint-Germain, even to the extent that sometimes no to me bench almost ne front liners ni na about this youngster friend Desire Die, and Desire Die is scoring goals. He is very young and exuberant, and there is that boy that is Seni Mayulu, a very young and exuberant. Seni Mayulu
from the academy.
Yes, he's also scoring goals, and then he doesn't look at say you're discussing a koto. So discipline and a boy Paris Saint-Germain. Now, when they are in their mojo, this is their best lineup. Goalkeeping department, Donnarumma would always be number 1. When you say backup, yes, Safonov from Russia. On the backup to Donnarumma. Yeah. But constantly, set tempo, or best started Donnarumma. Right back there, him say, right back are only weakness, Hakimi. Or Kone Nimba Nechia, weakness on the bottom. Or a very good in attacking wise. Defensively, he's solid. That is Hakimi Achraf. Now, this youngster, Nuno Mendes, who is a Manchester United bound, but Luis Enrique say he has unfinished business at Paris. So I will never let you go. And I'm paying now what to him. And he has stayed at Paris Saint-Germain. He's giving us all. Now, Marquinhos no William Pacho. That boy Jensen Renier. The best partner for Marquinhos is William Pacho. Because he had Milan Skriniar, but Skriniar to be a more. He had Milan Skriniar, all in terms of Paris Saint-Germain. A lot of top clubs wanted the signature. But then when Oba Paris Saint-Germain, Luis Enrique say this boy doesn't fit in the system. And then William Pacho and Ebo. William Pacho and Marquinhos, partnership at the back, I solid for Paris. And there comes the bad boys of the game. The bad boys are Fabien Rui, the 2 Portuguese, Yao Neves, and Vitinha. Omo ye adwuma ni nyina e wo mfimfin ho. Omo so no control the rhythm no. But there is one guy yen hwe ye pa in Paris, boy na friend Yao Neves no. Very young and exuberant. He controls the tempo and the rhythm of the game. He is one reason and nay Liverpool end to me in Paris Saint-Germain. Yen hwe boy na friend Yao Neves ni ye pa. Bradley Bacola, Varaskilia, and Ousmane Dembele. Omo share goals no, but sometimes football no enya fair sports. Omo ye juma pa no ye praise you and until N'Golo Kante will never win the Ballon d'Or. Sergio Busquets will never get close to the Ballon d'Or. Claude Makelele in his prime never got close to the FIFA Footballer of the Year. But rather, we praise those who goals at time at assist. So game no go against Liverpool. Now, when Liverpool played against Real Madrid, Liverpool and Real Madrid line up in India. Now Liverpool currently manager Franny and slots. The problem paye selection dilemma in at the front three. But this time Obo against Marquinhos and William Pacho. So obey you be a audio more ding ebesi Marquinhos and Pacho because Obo you know more ding. As a wish Real Madrid any Rudiger, you have to go with Darwin Nunez. But Darwin Nunez no problem is or very good with the work rate, but the efficiency no very poor.
Okay.
Obey you poor Baba say no. Man 7 chances out of the 7 Obesha 5. Obesha 2, I say 4. That is the problem of this this boy Darwin Nunez. Into no, my people say Liverpool boko with Luis Diaz, Cody Gakpo, and that is Mohamed Salah. Diogo Jota can come from the bench and can make a difference. But then, if Liverpool goes with Cody Gakpo and Mohamed Salah and Luis Diaz, and because Cody Gakpo and this boy Luis Diaz, constantly they will interchange in the number 9 positions. Just so you bring your 2 first number 9s in the game. Okay. Into Cody Gakpo, so you can't really predict. And seriously, that is what I'm expecting today. But now, in the last, with the last minute, Liverpool last 3 games from Albon, the best player for the team. And you Mohamed Salah, and you Cody Gakpo, and you Luis Diaz, and you Alexis McAllister. But rather the best player for Liverpool in the last 3 games, boy no feel hungry now friend Dominic Soboslai. Sobo is Liverpool's best player in the last 3 games. And he's one guy, so Liverpool should be winning. He can redefine this game for Team Liverpool. Game nerding pa. Okay. And when I mentioned the Hungarian team, it reminds me of the great Magias. I think it's at time means what really is the great Magias.
Me bacho say me person me who eyeballs no Facebook no so because what the us ne eba
sure
me person boys ne first ya person mo san fa bebre say chama atase apostle wa ha what I say enti apostle bi ekwam say yemfa us ne mra. But you don't come person be question the tail end ho. But what you yem people to see
you're con this way. Amount for per corners, amount for per goals, no amount for per that is mega accumulator. In betting, you can mega accumulator. Just a game be a day power way better. Now what predict say odds no was so no win your scar.
Like the PSG
Liverpool
game.
Like Barcelona Benfica. Now what predict because Barcelona and Sicano one city 91 pesos.
Okay.
A mega accumulator.
Okay.
Now me start you off with that is me start you off with the win or draw. That is the wins. Okay. Now fair enough any Inter Milan no. And then Inter Milan are favorite to win the game. Now Bayern Munich and Bayer Leverkusen no goals. So over 1.5 a safe bet. Another one here, Ali and Talia Al-Gish in Egypt. Okay. Egyptian league, your team are from Talia.
Talia, yeah.
Talia Al-Gish.
No, what's it?
In terms of football in Africa, you are expert in Ghana. Apostle not me. And so no team their friend Talia Al-Gish.
Go Ghana commercial papa.
Ali bought Talia Al-Gish. Mubeso Egypt. Ali Beshe. Now one of the informed teams in Egypt here, Pyramids. Obo against that is Cleopatra Ceramica.
Yeah.
Cleopatra Ceramica. And Ali Ebo home no onim sa pyramids beshe. Inti no Ali ono Ali beshe inti pyramids so beshe so that bats on be kosa. Inti we no 6 cities 32 pesos odds. So 6 odds.
Wow.
Na yedi ama for. Inti code ni very simple. 181 A14F2.
Me bacho tobuase. Tobuase. Call Sompa TV. Rescano di koda no. Na enjoy Sompa TV. Won say ye the us now to TV no so. O call YouTube no so a ye the ato YouTube no so. Sompa TV on YouTube no subscribe. What I say? Ana me pacho urebo Facebook no so Sompa 93.1 FM. Sompa 93.1 FM. Now one follow, now one share, now to message number. Also enter so out on the code no out so it was a team Yamaye. Philip, We are code no
181. Code near 181. A14F2.
Okay.
181 A14F2. We know a mixture of wins, overs, that is over goals, and again, that is a win or draw.
Okay.
A mixture of wins, win or draw, and over goals. Now there is another code. Another code near that is corners. Corners, no. This is your code. And then this time you are changing.
Okay.
Until where your corners. Bayern Munich Liverpool, no first half corners name do 7. So I under 6.5. Now Benfica ne Barcelona first do 8 under 7.5. Now Feyenoord any Inter Milan first half corners no do 6 under 5.5. PSG and Liverpool first half corners no do 6 under 7 under 7.5. Now Ali any Algish game no possible say Ali be win. Pyramids ebe winning see yeah there no attack so pyramids any Ali so that ebe pushy odds no so and also and yeah and odds no is about 8 odds so one betcha corners no code ni 181
181
A2 E8
7.
Yes.
Okay, and also there are two screens so.
Yes. And the last one.
But say repeat it.
181 A2
Betway A2
E8
Betway E8
7.
Okay.
So that is those are almost corners.
It's when a Betway oh.
Yeah,
Betway.
Betway.
But Betway say to was Betway say o bet na we twa no.
Yeah.
E bia na ba ku bi ba be say o bet na wo opportunity so be yi saa de ba be say o bet ni nyina free. What I say? No one save o bet no and you Betway bet saver. What I say it say wo twa na say bia e do time bi na team ba ku ya say na wo twa no bet a wo won the opportunity so be yi saa team no free. Na save o bet no na nya skedi.
Sure.
Ayan kwenu.
When the mega accumulator games and nay, sure set teams in the be winning, but odds near very good odds.
Okay.
Odds near very good odds. 4 games per, and the 4 games are very sure set teams no be winning. It's very simple. Ali ewo Egypt, Pyramids ewo Egypt, or Cleopatra Ceramica.
Okay.
Ali ewo Talea Algish or Egypt. Inter Milan ewo Feyenoord in the Champions League. Ewo that is Netherlands. They keep. Now Barcelona air traveler Estadio da Luz in Portugal against SL Benfica. Now odds no was super. Code near very simple. 181.
181.
A Betway.
Okay.
181.
A4
009. So and they have
the patron repeat it. 181
A4 009.
Yes. Betway.
Yes.
And I'm assuring you, say, I'm your she crown out of the 3. You been
the one little thing I made can media.
Okay.
Yeah. The thing is, when say us name and san diaba. 2 sure us and then 1 risky one. And no us no was no.
Okay.
And if you are in, so open so in tram name and saying you can do it. Obu also person own the sure ones you can do it until we are trying to get it in all angles or more per risky once you will be or no SAS more us no pe or pakesie into yama kesie yama ketwa which is the sure and the risky one.
Okay.
So wherever you want to go no you kwa on sabet me account.
Me that say na me apostle sir boko apostle
so we are football gym media.
Oh, apostle, na we are sad I am for you.
Quick one. So, your chair for the so Sepp Blatter, the former FIFA president.
Hey, what's your?
Or court or Sanko court.
Okay.
I'll be caught up to China. Now, Osho is 88 years and he will be 89 on Monday. Our court bill. Now, I didn't know court. First of all, the issue. Assembling in say 2 million Swiss francs. And Ora friend Sepp Blatter, Etuyama, Ora friend Michel Platini. And the reason why 2 years can say Sebio or ye Juma or Tonu Futuno Sikano 2 million. But unfortunately, Nielsen is a case a court was Switzerland. Emma court as 2022. Yeah, who evidence say a credible acquit and discharge. Michel Platini, any Sablata, no court no so. Usually won't chase a Sicano, Sebio, I no cracks, Quampasso, and Tiomo Acquitiomo. Then Stefan Blathar, I the Attorney General and Federal Prosecutor for Switzerland, said that the Amukan minimum yarding, so appealing that particular verdict. So as we speak now, 100% or making sure that he is pushing for 20 months sentence.
Okay.
So that is the reason why Sablata is on the Attorney General or no nonsense. Now, at the end of my way, okay, sir, what led to this? This was because Mary Lynch, any Michael Alba, Mary Lynch, U.S. former Attorney General, Professor of Law, and then Michael Alba, Attorney General for Switzerland.
Okay.
And no yes, Siketria, about World Cup 2nd December 2010. Russia, any Qatar, and win the World Cup beats, and Omudrai. Said no, we be. Now, that is why that investigation led to Sablata, any Michel Platini banned from all football activity in 2015.
Okay.
Because they failed to win the World Cup beats.
Yeah.
And then no Cressy Twisika. What do you say?
Now, established.
What's it then?
Established.
Yeah. Now,
because
Sablata,
court improve say.
Oh, why improve it? Master, why won't bribe by a man receive that? The point is that 2006 World Cup, Sablata, why be Africa? Look, for me, the FIFA president, I want Africa until the emergence of Gianni Infantino as Sablata. He started the move. Okay, go project.
Yeah.
Okay, go project.
Yeah.
Ghana, Sablata now on the picture. Yeah, go project. Yeah. And
it's a all court to me.
Yeah, GFS secretary and FIFA project. Go project. From phase 1, phase 2, go project. Baby, year seminar, any conference, congress, I go project. But you see, in 2006, the World Cup, 2006 World Cup, the bidding of 2006 World Cup, and they didn't send me by. So, 2006 World Cup, no say yet to Abano for the hosting right in 2000, 6th July 2000. Now, 5th July 2000, BBC, okay, Papa, friend Charlie Dempsey.
Yeah.
Charlie Dempsey, or a New Zealand name, or a New Zealand name, or Tuaba Emma Oceania. And I don't forget, so a member of the Executive Council.
Okay.
And the Nyaka said, yes, it's South Africa. And Yen Fama said, South Africa, obedi to host the World Cup for the Federal. Because Africa, yen bidder. And to be a G2. Now, Germany, who were also bidding, I realized, said, there is Obia Africa, they bed you. You said the book at the film. Now, Frank Beckenbauer, the Kaiser.
Yeah.
Frank Beckenbauer. I didn't know. Or says, baby, I didn't do a team. And the Chadem same band, yes, someone also got to by sponsor Philip Cotua, so who got to us some part to say. Chadem see, I don't even see it. One Cotua Bano Ama, and you on the 5th of July, or down the hotel room. The Dorda Grand Hotel of Switzerland, and or die. $50,000, yeah, the Tuni Don, to your peer, and it was security guarded, the whole hotel security guarded by people. Until your peer, and on fat envelope, and on fire, with a note on it. Sir, there is another 50,000, our ye 16 account, an anonymous account. Anybody, you're withdraw Breno. And the Adiana said, ma on back Congress, no. He should not come there. Because Oba forced to sobe to Aba, not to Abana, Satan Executive Council FIFA at 24. And the or to Abana, Abano to or to Abe 12. 10 years, about 12.
Yeah.
And the so no free. And the Wamba. The direction was that Encore Hotel, no briefcase be or $150,000. Briefcase, you should pick the briefcase. And then there's a cab waiting for him. Or moving straight to New Zealand. That was a strategy.
A man must meet in a man must meet in
yeah. So he
didn't come back.
So I intended. Say I must football and so I intended. So he was giving that money and he left. But South Africa lost that hosting right because of that. Now don't forget, Robert Louis Defrost, the former Adidas CEO, cash for vote $6.7 million, a loan from Adidas to FIFA. That was repaid.
Wow.
And it was not a loan. Sika no mo di man omo year no say who no say a loan by Sika dem di omo tua to make sure they win the World Cup bid. You right, say Frank Becker Bakra admitted said they paid some monies in an investigation of FIFA. He's admitted that. So in terms of that World Cup, they paid money. Now, and no South Africa losing Sabid no NMR the February rotational policy and neon say Kosu Qatar, near Kosu 34 years old, because America, Africa, the rotation policy came as a result of we see.
Okay.
Now South Africa now they put in $10 million for a development fund for the 2030 World Cup. They want to
$10 million.
Yes, almost the Caribbean football, African football, $10 million. When FIFA investigated, FIFA said it constitutes bribe, but I said she ain't see because someone learning from near Germany here, so they realized we'll go all out. So Ivan Koza and Danny Jordan, they were spearheading it.
Okay.
So they pay South Africa paid $10 million to say Caribbean countries to make sure say football at Tumbo. What they were doing was helping projects. The AstroTurf, Technical Center, Africa, CGBB.
Almost South Africa.
What's the name?
Almost South Africa.
Of course. Isaiah was the president. And that time, it's a blatter or Hinchman. Now Joe Avalanche, Tio. Joe Avalanche.
Yeah.
Ni Akunta, Ricardo Texera. No, a Brazilian Federation president. Only know okay ISL marketing sports company.
Yeah.
$100 million scandal. They were paying marketing deals to people. Omuji, because no more is a blatter hinchman. So they take the deal and they finance the 50% of the more marketing.
Wow.
So what's it?
Football. Yeah.
No. Listen. 2018 World Cup. Who guys near Infantino? Okay. Or see when I come and investigate.
Yeah. Nothing.
Okay, that was yeah. Put to a criminal.
Yeah.
Or say don't worry, we'll make sure the World Cup become a master class. That's what I'm going to put. Yes, I agree. That's it. Altani 2022. In fact, US were angry because they were US come for 2022 World Cup. And now, when he went to Qatar, he said, see the World Cup will go ahead irrespective of the noise. Okay, Infantino press conference all year World Cup 2022 Qatar against Europe. No,
yeah.
Say Europe no. Okay.
Okay,
so in Marco 1 month. No, we had who was the PR for Qatar 2022? Was the chief himself.
But still, now that's what you.
Was it? Football, no, a corrupt sport. Yanchiwa, we are safe. Corruption, so in free football, muda. For you, a lot of naive people.
But and the only man way at the highest level of corruption. Highest level.
Have they been found guilty?
No.
We are corrupt when it comes to sport and football. Say, I find we guilty, and nobody has they been found guilty? No. Last, me about Thomas Bach, Vladimir Putin. Who they are here? So that's the reason why I always say Seblata time you have Jack Warner. Jack Warner is the major strategist. CONCACAF president or
Jack Warner.
Kind of power. Oh, supported by Nigerian schedule Chuck Blazer. Yes. And you have Ghana, you have Yensa, we have Issa Hayatu was key. Hani Abu Rida is still FIFA council member from that time to now. He's always Egyptian former FIFA president. No, he's always or no a genuine guy because when we were going to the campaign, I remember we went to his room. Our Hatum or see no, he doesn't take any offshore CV. When he saw the CVs, I'll vote for you. Only you can get him. But okay, Dr. Emos Ademu.
I'm a kind of power. Nigeria. And Cote d'Ivoire president.
No, Jack Anuma.
Jack Anuma.
Yes. That time they were the key men. Obiaji. It's Aji. But I just want to be painting picture about yourself. Sa knowledge in football. Listen, football will never change without these people. And then this money. A correspond. Yanchiwa. Why?
You are safe.
City, Asamba. How many people knew that things that City were doing as a okay, Madrid, Yanchi Madrid. Chelsea.
Yachi.
Do you understand me?
Yeah.
So the picture I'm painting is that near my football move behind the scenes now. You have no idea. And a free football, my football good. Get it today.
Ah,
A free football, my football good.
What's a corruption free football boy?
Me can say sa na moto na oka corruption. Sa na moto ni sika. Yes, why? When
exchanging of presence.
On himself football draw or cold ball, any hot balls. Yes. Ballotings are paid for. But so no officiating because okay available.
Yeah.
Referee.
How the boss man go?
Now,
time kesi pa.
What time kesi? Utiha. Ghana. You are benefiting from a lot of that. Especially our Dora President. We benefited a lot from that. From officiating. Me what? From officiating, we benefited. Yenny, a friend is saying, when we played against Lesotho, what happened? So I saw tears, but because we were executive council of the FE, it was the influence and or the opportunity to make sure say you group say partnership with group kakra. Never got here.
Yeah.
So football no or pitch so I am mostly determined by never be break course wage. And it will never change. Never say a quiet fast year no yes son no my ye kama. But ens that. Never her. Utia, how did Toboli Chelsea Football Club, what do you say Saudi Arabia for 55% shares?
Yeah.
Huh? Mra or UK said nipa a club back nipa back with me only 2 clubs now.
Debbie.
But they have to. I said Toboli apply to now I'm funding the purchase of Chelsea. But Saudi Arabia, they own Newcastle. And they control majority. Own said Todd Bowley.
Bauka, Todd Bowley said no credit.
Any Madam Stevely,
Todd Bowley said
it's not about what they are saying, it's what some of us know as the truth. Company now, a funding, a company is owned by PIF.
Yeah.
PIF, you're winding. The governor, Aramuyan.
Saudi Arabia. Public Investment Fund.
And I'm saying,
Saudi Arabia.
And I'm saying, who owns Saudi Arabia? But the public investment fund funded the capital fund that gave them the money.
Wow.
So, baby has come. So I'm saying that this sport, but the law in England, some forbid that.
Yeah.
But on strategy, on the outreach, Newcastle, how did they buy Newcastle? Former Prime Minister.
Yeah.
Boris Johnson. Security Master to number 9 Downing Street. Prime Minister of Abon. Because 14 billion, Saudi Arabia threatened $14 billion pounds were going to move the investment from the country. Or not as a prime minister, Juma health sector. So you prevailed upon the massa. You were in because football and soon and to these things you need to appreciate this thing. 1 + 1 is never 2.
So football is a cross sport.
Football is a cross sport. Every sport.
And it will end free and fair. Never. End free
and fair. It will never be. But what's standing here? What's standing here? I'm asking you.
And your pay.
Huh? Say only papa at the Bonnie several times.
Yeah.
Any fault.
And any fault.
We are since.
But that's. Boss, you're there.
So say and corruption. 2000 one day I'll come and tell us about 2000. How do you want it? Because I said, listen, yes.
Hey.
So you see, don't say
2000.
Those are the reality. They did.
Oh, but has 2000.
Of course. They did. Now me can't say there were a lot of
behind the scenes.
There are a lot of things. Now only South Africa. I was Joe Berg. I had a 2006 World Cup. Only South Africa was Joe Berg. How did you win the 2-0? The Yanko commercial break.
Okay, Oko Sompa 93.1 FM. Also, sports near life. Now, sports no, a video no, comment no. Ya saya posti us no, and ya tour. Inti Oko comments ni mo abenya us no, na we turn straight away. Ti be so call ne kucha. Why? Joseph Eje Owusu Casemiro was in-depth analysis pani. Yada say Nana Asamoah Sophia was a good morning watching live from Takwa yeah that's it. In front for Douglas there, or you super fantastic, where heavy power. Your body basso, when they are cressive, breakum, your boba basso palm, we heavy. Namin Sabo palm. Paremo Wuswansa was a saw per osa, me a one. Was a saw per osa, me a one. Sompa, yeah, that's it. I say, please, I need the booking code. Oh, what do you comments on Sabeka? Where you for the Dari Emmanuel? What I say? Ope say, or no, I don't pay or no Kokokra, what change us some part time the best. Now, what your program in the area, we are not in the course. That's a so to what that's some part for us. Yes, we are now say, Prince, I'm for Boabaso, Felipe, I'm for Boabaso. Never in the meantime, Yene Humra. Yeba trust who this Canadian also who are Jenny any Nyansa, what the manage Sika. Now, what my progress, Abrabono, who ye be a trust and this success ever. Yada Waba, Yeba trust, Sompa 3.2 FM, full time sports.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Here's Kwame and Yao. After hours of planning, both have locked in the same perfect multi-bet. Big win for United, over 1.5. And both teams to score in the London Derby. But who could have picked Leicester over City? Or a high-scoring game at the Bridge? There's nothing worse than having your perfect multi-bet missing. But there's nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver. Win, even if your bet misses.
If I shop, I'm not sure you're value.
Brother, and not so good.
What time you going to see about Queen Wayne and say?
Bra, said your time about Misha, it's your Jimmy fearful, and not the about ever so.
Really, do this opening now.
Bra, and because I need the time about Misha one dance ya. We are seeing now a better maker. And to say malaria, what do any time about Misha?
I know you go, dear, and what I want to meet any deal. What do any time about Misha? A drink, I know map or bar waffle through. The one map for down for any aquada when you feel do me, and some of the time about Misha. She said, walk to hospital and answer loud. I'm what we said. Oh, a 3-day malaria be answer.
I also time me TIME. Time about Misha. I feel malaria fever the other is Ziba, a woman. Even slap. Ubenya be at all, over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop to do an FDA Aji a judging crotway at home.
I was like, I can't do a job to narrow who's a woman said. I'm a fracket to 1 year 2 years. I can die. It's the African Spider-Man. I'm a fracket to him when any problem here. Then the bill costs for Lutti coming when you already won't be. Expectation African Spider-Man and Baby say what of but preoccupation who's African Jack. What Baby say what of now with secret grano anything. Imboost herbal mixture and only me secret. Na me yet na ma ka out from. And police me do one dance tell me say many na me so hwe. Na me so hwe no. A boost immune system am say me train na me tebe. Me timi di come am wa ka wo no so ekoso. Me kura so me ta yale am my latitude me nya ba ko. Eye je na koso hwe. Hey, Spider-Man, what are you doing? Who fa me kura chen o.
Ubenya Imboost herbal mixture and pharmacy and answer herbal shops. Appeal for any if you're doing FDA aggregating at.
If you want better future, join Ghana Grows. Cause our brick be the future. Join Ghana Grows. This be one for the culture. Join Ghana Grows. Cause say you might be for Ghana. Join Ghana Grows. Ghana Grows.
Kuya yomu pekwanya ubefa so nya adwuma ana ati adwuma ko a mfa so waso e wo kuya adwuma mu ene ATVet mu enne ya so anamonne fast sawo wabusua ene wo mpatamu asetenemu bo star 718 star 50 hash na beka ho sesia Ghana Grows Top Day Ghana Grows Jumedie Mastercard Foundation Miss Springboard Roadshow Foundation Limehouse ni wabuafo na Debrel
Mamenche time HH herbal mixture bi na wonumi ɛnea watɔ aduro pa ɛyɛ aduro sɛ ɛma nipadua nkwamoa no ɛnya hoɔden na akoatia yareɛ ɛntwɛn yareɛ ansa na wakɔ akɔtɔ fa yɛ waduro na nom no abere Kanoga Company Limited what the time TIME ebe just no one more and the time HH Herbal Mixture e dia bejaso akra wonyenye mfisia dumienu anumbi wo pemfo ene oba wo makra nufo enso anumbi time HH Herbal Mixture wo benya bi over the counter medicine sellers any shop dodo na mu so wo pedodo to afre 0244 417669 0244 417669 time HH Herbal Mixture yedro say FDA agye adwadie nkratoi atum.
Rise and shine with Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush. Start today off right by grabbing your Yas toothbrush and squeeze a refreshing dab of Yas toothpaste on it. With its soft bristles, the Yas toothbrush gently cleans your teeth and gums, giving you a comfortable brushing experience. As you brush, feel the powerful formula of Yas toothpaste working its magic, removing every stain in the cavity and leaving your teeth sparkling and fresh. Plus, Yas toothpaste helps make your teeth whiter and protect your gums, keeping them healthy and strong. Choose from our 3-variant toothpaste: Total Care, Herbal, and Wymed. Make Yas toothpaste and Yas toothbrush a part of your morning routine and start your day with a confident smile. Yas toothpaste and toothbrush, caring brand for caring families.
There's nothing worse than your multi-bet missing, but nothing better than having it saved. Bet Saver.
Okay, Sompa 93.1 FM. Ya twaso ye tebeti nkomo and me papa wa ha adageni posokra. Dr. Frimpong atase gentleman dental clinic na papa we nyama nyankopon nam nsa so ye wo Ghana ha no nyasem ketu akra. We specialist what you say. Dog, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
Pacha obi bia boko de. Dog, na I who has I
oh, Mohadi fantastic. I have faith. You can see him far dear fan cancer.
Sompa new studio no.
Very fantastic.
Aye. Dog. Above all almost see you low and the kakra the society.
No, okay.
Okay, dog. Gentleman Dental Clinic. But who said this year no other branches Sababa Kaho. Who said a Jumano Asa couldn't more. Yes, I'm going to cry there. Ghana, they are sativated a message our war at the bay.
You made a seminar before when you so much here for the TFO on the various platforms, I was Sompa. Now, Minia, gentleman dental dear, what to say, can't gentleman, and not to say a sing once any year.
Okay,
that's what to say, you can't a sing once so they are not to say. Gentleman dental, you my dear, and say. Ye be bo send ho ban na yesiesie wo sen ama wonum ene wo sen ani monyam no atimi afa no ntoma pa aiden afira eno nti uba gentleman dental ye services bebre e wo ye clinic ho se bia ye betimi e de aboa wona wo ba ye clinic se opese one yen e be ye adwuma na se de ye nim no as dental clinic de ye wo procedure ahodo bebre wo ba gentleman de ye yesi wo se ye edesom oman e bi ti se examination and consultation services.
Okay.
Say enema bi ana wonum ana se osen ani monyam no ana se esene problem bi aba ho unim de amasa ohaw no aba. Ana problem na ewo ho no eye den na bae na doctor to no boase a kire na wo de ye ma wo nso a ebeboa wo. Ye wo ya ribbon to say gum breathing okasa obon se ana se opisi wi wo se na emoja efri osin achi enam no mu eba. Eno nyina no eba sa no ana ewo se eye edema eno na doctor bedikan aye nhwehwemu hu se de ne masa problem no de na ye yema wa ebebo no ya yama na also ho atimi ato na ye sanso ye feeling ana se teeth restorations ahodo bebre setokru ato esenemu ana wo sen nkasa eso ebubu ana se ahodinru a wo senka esenu nya no a enya no eno na ama wo sen nkasa ewo ho ana eno a ebubu eno nti no oba kan ne ka ye to ye mbo ase na yahwe sɛdeɛ ɛsen no ayɛ na fe treatment ben ye edema wa ebebo ebia wonya tooth fracture wo se no abɔhɔ anase ohwiase wotetɔ ya ma wo se no ɛso obu ɛno nso so no ye beto ye mbo ase de abɛfo kwan so ne ya ye feeling e de ama na ɛsen no animonyam no asan abegina sɛdeɛ na ɛteɛ no a ɛno ne yɛfɛ no tooth failing no oba gingival dental ye ni nyina bi na gingival de chia kwan enya yira kwan
okay
ye Uganda hafa na bebre oba enkrama mu a gingival ɛwɔ hɔ kofoyudua aplawo
okay
kofoyudua ɛna takrade nso so gingival ɛwɔ hɔ tamale nso so gingival ɛwɔ hɔ ebia wotika mu na watemenka wode wani kyerɛ tamale tishigu anase tamale tishigu opposite post office gingival dental
oh okay okay
ɛna sɛ wo kumase ha nso bia kumase wɔ Abrepo junction udru Abrepo junction a total filling station achi pɛ ɛhɔ ɛna gingival dental idi enjuma ana obetima frɛ ya homa no nso so ɛwɔ 055 913 95 82 055 913 95 82 da bia doctor ɛwɔ homa no so a ofrɛ na ɔno ɛbɛtwetwe nkɔmɔ oba gingival dental yesan ye de yefa no tooth replacement
okay
teeth replacement no ɛyɛ sɛ ebia wo se no wanya missing teeth ye ka missing teeth a ɛsen a afiri hɔ anase wo se no atu afiri hɔ
okay
ɛwɔ ɛno susu nyina yɛ ɛsen mu haw ana ɛyɛ dental problem enti wo se afiri hɔ a ɛnkase na ɛsen yɛ meya ɛna yɛ brebre atu afiri hɔ enti onkosi ɛwɔ sɛ utimi ɛyɛ replacement no ɛno ne bɛma wo se na aka no so atimi enya ahoden ana ahoden aiden abam ɛno nti no oba gingival dental ye wo ni sie no ahodo bebre e wo ye clinic ho wo pese osia ye betimi a kyerɛkyerɛ ahodo na e wo ho no oba clinic a ye wo de ye sha eno wo betimi ayi asan hye eno ene ye fe ne denture no eno no e ye removable ena ye wo permanent ones wo ho a eno no ye sha untimi entu biem eno ne ye fe no PFM bridge no anase PFM crown ni nyina no e ye permanent one a ye sha eno de e ye permanent untimi entu bium utimi de ye bibia te se de ankane na wo se no etie no oba gingival na ye ni nyina bi ewo ho afi de ye friend teeth whitening no ebia na ope ade a ebia Lipton coffee ni nyina ye stain beverage menka se janom but onom a ewo so utimi use straw se o use onom saa enema no nyina no a etimi stain ese no ama ebedru ba bi no bon se na wo se no a discolor na ma oseno animonyam no nso so akofom ena afi so ensan ano ye din ebiti se hard liquor bia na se ensan ano ye din kese no so etimi esteni ana ediscala otiti no eno nti na ebehia se wo se wo ye teeth whitening no na oba gingival dental ye di abefo kwan so within 1 hour 30 minutes ni aye wo sen fita te se de wo ne di so da utimi ede ye bibia na afi ye no white no so de ma wa ensan koye se de ankane na etie no da bia no obonse na eye fita eno ade se obesora no pa na wa paste anwumre na wa paste afi gingival dental eye teeth braces no eye se ebia oka wo se soro no esi form a esi so a e wo se esoro the upper teeth and the lower teeth na wo se itimi hia enti se oka esoro de ne besi form de no so na intimi hia ebiwa na aba nanim aye se aye overbite ana se ebia aye underline teeth range yi eno nso so itimi hye braces no enti se wo hu se silver line bi eda esen soro and form a enye for life ye the corrective teeth no a e wo saa e hawo no na esen ni bi nso wo ho abonsi na ebisisi nchen eno nso yetimi the braces no e correct no esene bi nso wo abonsi na find dem be
ni nyina ba behyehyem pepepe wo ye no sa
ni nyina behyehyem kama na fe within 9 months wo se na wo se no asan range kama na fefe kama afi se kwan da esene mu te se dastima ejire edasene mu bebre a etimi masena ho den ekofom eno nso so yetimi eye braces within some period na ni nyina krusu kama na ahoden etimi aba osene mu afi nso so no de ye fe no teeth jewels na say de ye de esiesie wo se bi te se wo pese wo share no gold teeth and as a silver teeth replacement ni nyina no gingival eye ebi ewo ho eti se ba bia wo bia watemenka na wo pese wo call any of the branch a obefrɛ your number no ɛwɔ 055 913 95 82 055 913 95 82 bia doctor ɛwɔ ahoma no so a wofrɛ no a ɔno ɛme sɛ bosumi ya yɛwɔ mu yi bosumi ya yɛwɔ mu ɛyɛ from March ɛkɔpem March ending ni nyina no ɛyɛ World Oral Health Day. World Oral Health Day. Ewiase nyina no edu saa bosome no a yeyi saa da no edisi ho de bo ye ho nkaye bo ye ho nkaye kyerɛkyerɛ hia ehia sɛ wɔsi yedi enum ni anase ye bo yɛse ho ban enu nti efiri saa mre ekopem sɛ bosome we bɛkɔ na wiye no Gentleman Dental provide 50% discount de ma obi bi obetu anamon aba ye clinic ho na afei nso so no ye bo obi bia nkaye sɛ ho hia sɛ every 6 months bia no utu anamon ekohu o dentist na utu anamon ehu o dentist a problem bi a ehya ase wo nipadua ni mu efa ose ho ene wo nipadua so nyina na say healthy teeth no is a healthy life enti say ose no ankasa no ahodi ni mu a wabrabo no nyina no so etosini eno nti na say obi ewo problem with the teeth a bon say the confident level etimi ekofom empo de nka na ewo se otimi eye wo na brabo mu na eno so nyina no etimi ekonachi eno nti bosome we a ya discount ade ama wo no eya kwanya a wo nso betimi de awura branch baby a ukọ tamale Gentleman Dental ewo ye wo tishigu sunyane Gentleman ewo techima Gentleman Dental ewo eno ane se obefre ya homa no ewo 055 913 95 ofra doctor ewa homa no so a ono ebetwetwe nkomo se wo kumase dia kumase wo Abrepo Junction Total Filling Station achi ho a eho na Gentleman Dental edi enjuma usi our Abrepo Junction so obetima free the same line no a takra de Gentleman yo Tadisco Junction na Koforidua nso so yo Koforidua Central Market eho a wo enkran nso so Nungwa Main Lorry Station wo usi Nungwa Main Lorry Station wo obetima free your number na wo screen no na Atomic Down Domekwa Benya roundabout no so a Gentleman Dental so ewo ho Gentleman say ye hwe wo a ye procedure no entime angel entena fa ko anase entime ense wadaje because Gentleman ye network system is very strong baabi a obia no bia ye hwe okumasi ye nwe odun
kam bebu sasade no
kra any of the branch akotwa treatment no so na ye procedure ne dia ma anansa na wotimi atwa so no ane say ura ho a obebo odin wayi wo receipt ye hwe system no so a ye behu doctor or hwe procedure na ye e dia ma no atwa treatment no so e dia ma eno nti na ama Gentleman Dental da so nko with other clinics na e wo Ghana nti frɛ ya homa no e wo 055 913 95 82 055 913 95 82 fra doctor e wa homa no so ono e betwetwe nkomo
yo me da sepa Dr. Frimpong na getting in Kano openikasi on that Gentleman Dental Clinic no and I didn't think common no pay ti yebeto so na yetimi adijuma Gentleman Dental Clinic echa kwa wo Abrepo Junction e dana UMB Bank ni wo mu no ye on so pay ye be Total Filling Station no ye ni Methodist asori no anase Methodist school di hwani mu ti number na dash school so no 0559139582 frɛ na doctor de with that basa na adwuma nyankopɔ de ne ye wo Ghana na nya asem keto akra enti e ban ese wo adwuma no ka ho adwuma de Gentleman form na expert nya asem keto akra ti doc ye be da ase na bi sha pa ye to so na ye tebeti nkomo on say ye wo difference say wo sika na wo create sika what you say say wo sika na wo say create sika difference no wom ene ye wakuku damfo fiduam ha ye ba betin komo unse boys no mo fesika saa so a e was say yetimi tell how you are going to use it, how you are going to create money. It Mr. Kwabra obeying a entrepreneur, author and engineer. Mr. Kwabra obeying Dako we super fantastic. Nyasa Kitwa Krantano pay. Ye baby din komo chese Nyasa Kitwa Kra. Eti baby corner feminine dog. En kontrasto na ye nin komo. En tentem so kra. Dr. Kwabra obeying Dako. Papa, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Now, but I want to say,
you
didn't couple us. Who they can tell who Kumas? They Edward Kumasi.
Oh, okay. Yes, I'm not. Oh, Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology.
Okay.
CCB Auditorium, which Nanopa, Nomochi. success seminar.
Okay. Success seminar no ubet mama me detail some little details about the seminar na yen twaso.
Okay, topic in financial success principles. Financial success principles. Minu nyina enim say obia pese nisika say.
Also what kind me yemashime.
Okay.
Because you're part of Ghana no you're part of Africa near one. The UK no you should nya ho a sa. Oh, a idea e ho akwa atwe power Ghana ha. But for you to have time for this seminar no.
Yes.
I think say this are some of the seminars also you encourage e wo Ghana ha. Ka wo say we no abane foul every region. Na ka wo ko na wo church how to say Ghana for me to nya nimdeɛ ever success. How to become successful in terms of creating wealth.
Yeah.
What I say? Yamisha, Tikoswa na me encourage you another paper the more baso.
But I said no say come down for
Okay.
Say nye baby bebre na nsem we sebe ye dwen say hia kra.
Yeah.
We say ha na I say ube ye ya je say sunsun bi baby ube ye ya je say obi so nsa we ya.
And hana mi dwa no.
What say obi aye kra.
Na wabusua mu odentue bibie ni. Ami dwa kra mi pese mete kra.
But me no him say you see dan and some studio fine. Sebe obi kosua am de ho bibi. Ansa na wotimi aye den. Aye. Doctor ye obekasa aye. Was ya tete no.
Yeah.
Wotimi aye. Bibia nipa ye wa brabom bia no tete aye den. Surprisingly basically nko ade a ye say my ye hwe na
almost sika ye sunsun. E ba beto.
Ane. Wobusu akura ni bia na se onya bia na se de mutikura akɔhye fam. Wo akura ye se ye de mo nyama kosie. Me dwen sent to tie bebre osika ho a. Se ye tie ase a.
Okay.
Ye betimi asesa.
Okay. Ti dog me bo abaso. Na woni perifo na perifo menu bi bai. Pese ka wo introduce wo na ye nto aso.
Sa me nyani Frimpong Dr. Kennedy.
Okay, Dr. Kennedy.
Yes.
Okay.
Lectures so no. Me uncle and me nyama, you know.
Yamisha. Dog, na anope you say Ghana ha no you to no bebre na de bet na yo madwuma. What I say but wo a onya bet sika na oni direction bia. We know how to manage the finances. Eti anope ka me pese me busa say say me wo 500 Ghana e da me ho a na me pese me ye investment saying that me fast nye investment and how do I use the 500 Ghana every time I want fast one.
The amity I say kakra sika woni say sika so sika kutawo na so person dey bibi fast obaso a o say ade crowd dey ko no want ase wo
ade na wo dey ko no also nya ase. Okay,
so woni ase wo mu a sika no betima free unsa and the toss so you say one kasa so timinya control kakra wo sa sika no.
Okay,
nti wa wo say mu bebro kra e ma me ton bia nkuruma wo nyina no ana oni mo ba se si aso nya 500 a o de kwakwa ya de kra woni su ehunu wo te basa wo be sika no.
Okay,
ye mu nyina no bu ha mfa say wo free baby kra sebe ye do afuo woni mu ho su ehunu wo ade papa ye mechanic bi wo ade papa ye baba ne ma me edidwa wonya sika ho na wo se wo to ani ko se normal be na minim ho nyansa metimi di sika ko hyem a ancient de ntia wo sika hyeye ana se etimi ball kro no because baby a wo sika ko hyere na nim de ani swa.
Okay,
ana se na won say na woni control sa obi na e kire na wo ka twa se bi sika ko hyere but de wan kasa woni ho nyansa kakra na wo na wo decide baby sika no kono many times wo timi bo sa sika no ban.
Okay,
kuta sika hwe normal wo betimi ayi a won ti ase no.
It's understanding a key part. The first pointer who crest cannot person mental also winya.
Also the question baby. Yes, will be to all our sign or my sign for be scar command for money say this guy you cry one tears here. Which I was over catches of our sick to cry in so but no be bro ha benny tears here. Share a man tell me who pieces here over whom for boy I be more ton coco be me a mobile money obi ton more. So nobody in Sebi. I had a man for you say investment by investment.
Yeah,
because investment need the other crowd of Comana, crashing out or failing for the form. Sebi one should go digger. and this oh scanner says scanner so be and I do go to baby no wakoda abra wadi 18 19 20 so de koye bibia wan kasa no enu baby no say won hu nyansa
okay
sika sebe enhye that easy
okay doc your business opportunities eye common obia betuma university enya sika na mebusa say how kwa be na be fa so who saw opportunities na what may invest
I say so open my sister so we obia waso emre na we wadwen say metina se minima mefa na mesua so and this waso den tahia
anti say here bebrebe no yaso den
yaso den everybody says you are crash work
no tra seminar ne baso e
ba kwame nkrumah university
time be
8 anopa
measure da yare aba
anibra
me measure da yare aba me measure da yare aba because the would ya wo me anopa e kra no me am ti me maso de pa
dentia maso de ya usika sem ya ni say o say abrabo na ye bodo tem bia no tbb na wase sounds
okay
and so we want me say me one plug we are na minim yes sir many times on
the matter free me kra do no
am dinam you as well the 40 usika sem nye and so still we say usika sem no nim nyansa na uti na enye enye uti na enye nim bia na utrim no sem e form
okay
if I mo ko invest me ko kwa me ko invest ni e meti bebre training engineer wasi ba ko engineer ntibi be yeye upa koye studies newe unafo say no mo engineers ya ye turn down 500,000 Ghana cedis is omenya also koye doctor ampa ye nyina yete ase they say down here 3 bedroom ye turn 1 million Ghana cedis how many doctors ne betimenya how much is even their salary per month
okay
so what I say and te kire say ye will be build ukosua say surgery ukosua say eye engine wan kosua say enye sika abo ho ban because sebe se sika ntimi nya adwuma mawa na je say wonu usika sam no ntamtwe
so dog you okay just say I was say nipa bia no matter your age and you baby our rich bia no so wunya special classes on how to manage money and how to invest
absolutely the interest can you be go ni nim dia usika ho no so ntino obi
okay
sa wa woni bi nya uti na nya
and say sikanya no eye nim dia anya ho
ane enim dia we are senyamia bo ye no vice obo anoma the who nyansa kosua anoma to see no normal no na watimi ayi plane
okay
so ho nti bibia no sebe wo ho kosua de wo so osua obetimi ahunhu bra eda ho we are say so abra bo besesa wa nya nim dia ye de
okay
ane ti nim dia wo sika ho no eda di obotom do sorry now the canal so ntimi ntua ye fra wa no odumufu a usika sam nye the opening dia for fra obetimi dia totisika me se bibisa question the first 10,000 about sem dia na de ye the first 100,000 about some dinner.
No, then go the woman will be asked.
They worry. Maybe they talk car, maybe they talk nice watch, nice phone. But the onim sika hon in dia kakra no 10,000 or 7. They be all the compare BBA ya. Yeah, they make me nim 7 and I do the fino do coco. We ya kokra no kra coco no that. Wow. If you know why you know, that's to onya coco musika. Mrantie say and as one kwa adwuma sika foforo be free baby aba. What do I say? If you can't bound the same and next is here, a bound some bay, I'll bet my dad as a carrier acquire the forefront or China's only a horde. Hard to be my day. I'm a war. And this old you name DNA Sebe, or who then in FIFA or 10 quan in your scar. Only hear any mobile. I mean, just a matter of time, you know. And Tina said, Uncle for the near break, political positions in this animal. But really, a normal way at Chichen and Kakanka.
Okay.
So, pro Wakotokas is here. Can make us a PB never see can day. She will be say I she because I feel also Hunyansa. No baby and she be
okay.
It is a canibia sabe, who's always can who be or normal or this car cushion. And next I know man on a year Juma day. A man
the part of what I say is Cafu more day.
And you know, when we disciplined.
They are disciplined with
they are disciplined with money. And so on tomorrow they are going to be and confirm. Wow, I said, and I will not 2 hours can also to work to your school fees. And can't any tomorrow they can hear him. Okay, because on one corner will be in your phone for so. Okay, wow, it's getting through when you're there. Wow, so can you that said what to be and there were Tobas, IFB for planners, Cafordia, so will be a hospital, will be a school. We need your journal until I hear no, and you mean a bonus.
But almost say, give and it shall be given unto you. Good measure.
Yes.
Pressing down, shaking together.
Yes.
Shall the Lord
give to you?
Yeah.
I know you're I'm kind of sorry them. But I think if you give your intelligence or time, if you give value, you'll be paid back.
Adiabakwe ha Ghana youth pa and say yetimi boab weskano ne ade nyina ko ware. Yetimi boab weskano na after ware no sika ne ebutum bio. And they are so now. Say,
now temperature at 10%. Or I cover 10 degrees Celsius. Or 1,000 degrees Celsius. And if they say, oh, I got to be fight, I did not know. Or I buy a fan, don't even in singing room. Or Woswa, so I worry a scat. And you were Tony Dimension.
I guess was a Roman
business. Sika free. And it's only Sika warrior child 2 months. 3 months, 2 years. Both in a Obana warrant fan, and know what it is. Yes, and one guy's a growing in it.
Yeah.
Because Sika would be to your school fees, would be to your rent.
Yeah.
Or buy area. Sika area.
Okay.
You go area. Sika come.
Okay.
Sika come power, very good. Sabi. Sika for be brave. Go Sabi. Or fan from Grand. You need to me. Edientia. Who's a buyer fan be a cocoa area?
Me worry, you worry, you. Who was the car? Elon Musk. Sir, the 15 bond, and or we're coming now. We were. No, they were Baba Coben away. About Tahoe, will be a besobako.
Sika, never way. So, until we are brandia, so soon. Okay, Yanka Secopia. Yanka Seco, Chunk Contompo,
okay.
But what normal also yasia, but in the umbre.
Okay. But remember, Dr. Kennedy, all right. Yeah. Okay. And therefore, to remember a young guy. Oh, worry.
Me that's our area Juma. Okay. Before say me call me submission so no. The entire me pese young guy be a seminar be. And he said me a product of Mr. Obendako.
Okay.
In fact, the teachings ni nyema bi sia o chekere no ene ma me gi me hutum se me nipa on say ya be wiase no yenya wo be wiase wie wa ko school wie free 20 years ago no ade anka nipa hia pa se yesu ho ade no skasem because if you ho kono de obe wo wiase bia no wo diska na ye ye fa sisi ya o professor ye fa certificate ngare ba fa certificate in toka e de na toka
adopa kwara so na kobu de oba o so be a professor
no you degree you see so the
most certificate
important thing in a man's life and so be hu kwan a obefa so apel sika no hunu sika hu totoye okay you see so unya hu sa de we a da bia me ka se wi ase wa wote ho sesi ai o problems e mienu o sika problems and our problems ya kanyina it is onya sika wo problems e wo wiase nyina watimi asolve anasa wa solve about 90% enu ti na hu hia se abranti ana baba wa bia na wo be semre na ochina nyame adma wa ba KN University
okay
CCB so wo be ware anya abetre bra betie kwan a ye fa superscar
ansa na wa ware
ne yakura bi ansa na wa ware
okay
ni wiase me ba ye mi hu hia ni a o ye romantic da romantic skafo aduane enya hiafo aduane nti bra be sua kwan a wo be fa so apeska na unya bi wi a akoye romantic
but o be hwedi pa so asa wo ya boy ent mina na was wo be hwedi pa wo say romantic no skafo aduane nya hiafo dia nya me srawo mame samra doc so doc mi bu sawadaroma a better must start a business as a young guy. How do I start it?
Wow. Na man for so mo pay capital. O say business law.
Say you Ghana had here. Just a bit down some no they are starting.
Ampa. O say ya church no money bebre a e dey dem fa. O say I so go abroad jira, u be bank, ya ma e discard to so am. Open car about credit because of what you might open so see die and as open so to die bank be ma 20-30%, 30 years. So no man o ma hye no abi no ma beto agu so ha But yeah, no money different. Me no me to krom here. So ko bank siga ahwe. Dey da so. And he said capital na. Had the capital na wo nyansa wa ho den. Wo paper wo. Say metima to ho na mo. Say maybe now
capital is not actually about the
about
the amount.
It's your capacity. It's not the money. Go for be a business here more 100,000 and when issue your is gonna shake. Says you can't go on the business there and say go be with my baby. Well, go for be program saying go for me frame me. And we put 100,000, we put 200,000, we put 300,000. Then I'm fine. Says you can't go on the business there. I go. Yeah. But we soon be crowd so never started.
Wow.
We share boys in the bureau put 100 Ghana cedis. Me started 70 ton cocoa and never do 1,000. Obi sisi kura na me start say me ka obi abobo ya ene metimi atomienu yesi a wosi hu ene baby a pese o hya ase
okay
a won fa dwe ne fere enkomu so hu obo okra construction site ko se cement so na sebe bi o university
yeah
ho no capital be na o gidi kura se sika na o hia o ko ba de miensa onya kakra obenya kakra and really capital no your capacity, your mental capacity, your physical strength, your character, those things so see your normal perform Judy. So what's our normal? The person you be at the Kakrabiam. That's what my academic Bobiam and I painting.
Yeah.
My Pabino office. And say Kabibi and I hit in a Kakra. Was that is or call around 4 boxes or more the normal fabric the bar. No status or tonton. The last time I'm in a Casano was 70,000 Ghana cedis or bank. What talk Aboboya or Tobacco Mobia and was out of floor. Roger, what is 70 years?
Boxes no.
And now we was 70,000 Ghana. Our bank. So 7 years. Then no they started here. Pepper. Into baby branch about cause or say what they said here can also be called criminal ko boa me for normal. Mo ton no we are. E wura na aka no. Omo masisa. We started here no the vicinity so. E chere no the Fibaro. Was it that could be no to me be 40 cities. When they make us know say within 3 months or so when you are over 4,000 I was able. So it's an excuse to say that I need capital. One can say phone equity and say.
No, Sabra, you will say it is an excuse.
Yes, to wait for capital. What train capital? Now, what as a matter of fact, you are the capital.
That's it.
You are.
Wow.
Your know-how, your commitment, your intelligence, your wisdom, your understanding of life is the capital that you're waiting for.
Mr. Dayare, we crab home from number 12 can UST because Sanyama we Sanyama we say all your time I say BM or China. I think say Ghana can also a bear country your case Kafua also be home because the working a lot of people themselves having an amount. And timi boama u bi adwuma na so ye investment bi ba say nya no a
say no over says here amrantie a bosu capital you can issue the shoe say also pay 3,000 but the shoe share 2,000 ni phone who 10,000 kutano
am for what
dem ko good dem one share the whole year so also pay 10,000 I start the business. The problem is the mind, it's not the money.
Wow.
It's a deficiency of knowledge. And only a problem. Also, up the upper, the same person I was up a capital and says, I catch as when American visa. $20,000 will be about this year.
Wow.
So, Yahano, Sabe, see, ya a kukudro, ya two your knee, actually a mantamo, near whom dear Yamedia Maya beating your dear Saka, near the Aye, near Yabutre. Say, dear me, you don't suck can, yes, or don't suck and any. The Muya days so I just a baby and rest in Ghana. Who's a problem? No. Where you want to say, Kosua, anyone can say. Tija kakra bi a o ne ma me kopa visa na me free nko so but ade bi a o ye bia no wo di si oni so ma ho mfie num du na se wa ba ma mu a bi bia o ye bia because bi bia jemre
no na Ghana wo ha che
ya na mo
go be bia o
wo ha che
and mrante ne bebre tie de ka ya bebre ase so mo
because they okay amamanya. And just say you don't need to board a plane. Let there be a plane and also far. So kwakuye.
Abrochire matron.
Sir, yes.
Abrochire sebe udro England opa bisa ofa o. Biso medjuma mo yeso metim the camera to so akire wa.
Dabi.
Ye wo mrante be oba university how security. We cry ye care. Adwuma sebe nko nye okromu ha.
So almost say having a Holland citizenship no passport no is better say obey a professor of Ghana.
Wako bisa professor of Holland. Say say asem o kan obeka chese ko hwe wadwen. O pa wako bisa professor, catch professor. Say asem a yekai. Obeka se ko hwe wadwen nya adwuma.
Wow.
So o ye cleaner. Wo de ko to obi asebe wotimi akọ school. Da bi. Enti sa eno ye nkrofo asebe o mu ni die ma o mo ho. Se wo ni mo ho na sa wo nyi o hu ni na onyi ni se sebe ye odehia. Wo paper microphone them crowd so when him say
wow.
So what I say because you don't have several.
Wow.
Yeah. Okay. We are say the wo ye dey asesa bra microphone brabo afufro brabo microphone show mo ho akonfo ada no ma me ba ko send me a message. We say one any kru nyina ko England. O kira de wa ha meko ya na enye videos bi anko hye no ho akonfo. Ko so duru ono ho say da bi enye sanete. Na enye nipa ba ko ne kasa. Nipa do o say na before no ankasa no ye krom here information that you process they different from the rest of the world. Especially since who abrochire and it is who broni different kopim say wakom
akunya experience
and even kwa wakom na so one side the gidipo a fidi na you kra so odi ase ti obenya fa hodie no na je sebe obehu say ya fa no mum no 70 years because also kopeska
okay
wako 30 years ni ye unyanya sika ne bia let's get a kopay. So won't even know you might affair. Abraham be unidia, you know. I just only scout for it.
Doctor. It will Ghana hatch, be said was a war Ghana hatch. But I'll say Ebiaka a more nationwide program. Naka o church. Now church. Because the name of Gumu Ehu. But how do you see why? Yes, Dr. Kwabena or Bing Dakona in any din Komono. Namia Tuma Ochna Ewo KNUST. What you say? Brabe Shia, Kwayan Befaso, aye an investor. Na Doctor na Ongunwa Kasabe making himself available the number the Bemau. Now if you walk on now, who friend dog. Medru ha na menye sei medru ha menye sei ubo se enche ye keska for Ghana ha oso beka obi se enye sei wo be fa player kwa brochi na be mo nye ska sika no Ghana ha me da se me pacho lucky boss and I make come for them mega cash lucky boss or say dial star 426 star now the says as out was now the hashtag at was no me so pa ubi aso most options ni beba na wa bobo de na wa choose lucky boss no na wa cha 5 Ghana per ubetime di as much as 5 billion what you say that's some good talk no mega cash lucky boss or me heavy power mo boy juma pa it darling na chane di instant resource na wanya let me be ekoye enso e di amount kanjen and magic drinking water me pa cho ewiase nipa wote asase we so a e was so body no all pretty in the arena of alkaline. There's a body betima or pretty now. And was so in Susua, a alkaline, netima refreshing the Pediano, and many Pediano sweat my fancy ye. In Tiwadaroma, no pace, what and car, Nakanjan and Najak drinking water, no be no bobby, Nameka Sababo or bar, or fell fra, as send the content of only Pedian may increase. What I said to was the piano, arc and Yamaya alkaline, already Pedianimo, Netimama bonus session and sweat my form. It is a waterman camp, another payer. Canton and natural drinking water is from a camp for them and said, Bomode said, on Sabbath to my cabinet, a wet man on the noble ball. Now, what the attention and so ever back. Open to your Breman UGs and I said Tafun you road about route Johnson Sumo you check 0241 449191 0241 449191 Yahuma Betuma Fred Canton and Natic drinking water in 24 and so estimating kama pa ama bibiaso etuma konkan e the amount na me catch us oborum e wo obo Herbal and Medical Research Center Obo Herbal and Medical Research Center na fe wo wakwa koja ayaresa ban hepatitis hypertension stroke asthma ni nyina no yakupon nam obo so ebe pamono e de free the pagene mama wonsa so etima ko ayaresa wo ye bema wo so bema mu ye den bema wadrum paso afen na okokan ceiling afen na ohun se say kona quarantine time wa habasa oba ne betuma siwa sum kra ma ware na gu tinya odin herbal bitters no mpi na bobi na me ka tro se odin be ma oba ma ni mo ye den premature ejaculation be a thing of the past and after precursor powder and also just so a boost immune system no ema ho ye din pa ya de bi adwane de free the pedwane mu obo de oyo obo wotimi nso abrobo obo djuma papa adwa to adumanu ana be hu obo herbal and medical research center ko ne kwajo aresa na fa dance no so ebra ana udru nkraza so ayo djira kwa ne so akra ye wo kaso official town brana afeyen show na fa dance ebra ne obo eni nkomo 0249 761508 0249 761508 ahoma betuma for obo na fei oni obo na so etimi etin komo kama pa cloud internet ye IPVT installation ye CCTV camera installation na fei ye Wi-Fi and hotspot deployment ni nyina no ye internet connectivity ni nyina ye na fei web hosting with cloud internet service what as ye mi patcho wadaruma anopewoti enka office ho opesa the internet echo every department be enya ne dia consult cloud internet na for me yeduma no so enfama ye top high love FM abrosa no ye ne tin hwede mu ye the same board na Kumawuma Rural Bank no ewom ani nkomo 02026 99110 0202699110 yahoma obetuma frɛ cloud internet na fei one yen eso etimetin komo kama pa asiatica expert obu na mabo se de to asetwe no what ase etimi sto ne sisi wa hwani ya obetuma nya stroke pomoten se obetuma ram ewo asiatica expert 21st clinic na juma mo bono anu odin ye lab and scan service anafe yesan machine treatment and massage enti brani show ya de bia no kru bia no o de enso ene 21st clinic ani ani komo 0540311311 0540311311 me patcho Sompa F my boss say womu ewe ha dabraka obo ye cha kwan wudu obo ase court junction obo ye cha kwan dobe market won kai obo ye cha kwan na wawuram e wo takrade sunya ne nkranza ba bia ubehu 21st clinic say ye bo adwuma pa nya asem keto akra me mpese me jai doctor manako we heavy pa adwuma na anope wa bono enya asem keto akra okay Prince now we boost our doctor question Doctor Abawu Musa the question book ni binie meji bi na afem so dia kwa kohwem hafa na doctor ansana me boss no ma membra menua so nyame adom otra seminar na e ba so no dia asem na obeka e dia che hwefo na tiefo a wo mo hwe
yo ye bedas am say financial success seminar na e ba so KNUS no and the living legend said the dodo na a friend no doctor who said now can doctor or no say doctor na can do kran ka say doctor ko be yefri ho ko be kan obenda ko the doctor no permanent so seremi
also me nyimfri so
obenda ko da
Mr. Kwabra obenda ko
that's it as simple as that eti jumedie no aboa ye mu bebre
okay
ishia Mr. Obenda ko no dodo na friend the living legend tinyame adoma achina yenyina emomodin na 6 match yetumemra ba ohwe ntade a ehye me ene Dr. F Kennedy a ntade a o se ya true nim se the oben da ko impactor the oben da ko impactor is a papa no ne sema woka ene susuaso enya wonipa bebrabra aboso no eso enti ese Ghana for enya na obisa se wa Ghana ha che mpa tisafi ye bako Ghana for nyina
okay
na wona ne nsem no enya impact isusa so mo brabo so mo turn things around mo nya renewal of the mind ese so mo brabo no ye de mo practical testimonies e de abre obi biara now so say yes he is not just talking but he's really making a great impact on a lot of lives
okay
tinyame aduma chene nyina so be pa hontoma adanedi na obia Doctor Mr. Obenda, what can Doctor Namazia no?
Okay, but that's it, but that's it. Books ni bi waha. Mr. Kwabena Obenda ku books our church and big pray ewaha financial intelligence, unlimited opportunities, perspective, okay, financial freedom, and African Advantage. And you work reset, building yourself through African history. When you know you busa, Mr. Kabradako Atreche, what they are by Namia Adumots now back in US, they will never be. Dog, ya brano aso, I person sorry now. Be answer ya bekono, dear son of Becca, finally, dear check Ghana for answer that china, ya sa to ana, ya baba jinim dear.
That's it, Quenya, Modiama, you went for them. We are brand here, and Sema Wote, and Norma Wusia, and then Yonko for Wofa, and the best sound Dutch.
Okay.
And he said, Unim said, Unaf for no one out the Nama, and then someone Wotin one at Otia, Wabrabo and Sasa. In Tibra, the Benyan for 4 Betian is a 4. Success is designed and success is engineered.
Okay. But I say, remember at you for near for them. No more busa question kakra within some short time they are sorry why it in part of young for course ne kakra MC amumwa mena young for course ne kakra nti baby a here free bia baby a wuti free bia no obetuma frɛ na wo so busa question 0551 931 931 0551 931 931 0548 931 931 0548 931 931 obetuma frɛ na Odu Adrian or question or suggestions as well bana yedin come live on Sompa 93.1 FM. Na yatwaso. Mr. Kennedy, or final words na.
Yo, minia, the can't share a phone in an answer. Adia ultimisi san will we say a bebo apa yosikasem. Sabi, sir, unisika, said the Profocan, Utikra and say 20. Now, problem be also we are so could a scar. Ubetimi asolve ndi se afro se bra ne besua kwan a obefa so apiska no akra no na ye mohon a bifi se no pa ne ade ahia e woni pa bia abrabom
okay
ndi esra busua fo nyina se omomra na oba ubehu se kala wole ubetimi aye edo ama aye meloni
but that's it obi wa homa no so ye ni nkobo. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Oh. Good morning. Okay, it is not going through. Here now I check my good morning. Good morning. Hello. Okay. Now same say networks no almost why pa your person you pick course naka your viewers in the doctor ending come but okay still good morning anyway good morning okay dog yeah sorry no ti yetio nyame adomo chena ye ne yeba CCB auditorium okay US no e dey na ye expect
besua bibi
okay
you say ye ko ba bibi bra enye party politics na ekoya na ekoa sorry ba bi kakra bi na ekosua CC tutu yesikasem
okay
the efe wo mu ni say ho ne ye camrofo and ti say won tibrofo bia bra we besua bibi e betima sesa
yo me da say Mr. Kwabena Obin Dako and yatene kano nyame adomo chena we eye seminar baso first kasemo ho ene hawa ubesi atoto wa brabo and ochenya kopon ya adoma ye hia no na ye di hu nkomo ampani ampa na no pen niam kakra ode ma fam no medika ka chose chena na yare na maba na maba be jinim de de yeah na Mr. Obedako time by 8 okay 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 obi pesa okay for our number today 024 66 31 874 024 66 31 874 yo me da sepa yakopon shabo perifo penko botwetwera ye enjoyable pa na be esau yenye birthdays we na yen sorry Elia Kojo Odro Owo Adanse Ekro from Orlando. Sompa Sports executive producer say happy birthday na no pay Nyankopon Sompa we okay Elijah Kojo Odro Adanse Ekro from and your birthday Nyankopon happy birthday to you. Or say or Nyankopon washim na fe onto nkwana na bibia enkoyi eso enfama Andrews Owusu aka Asset from Abake Dunkwao what I say where Abake gold buyer what I say from Dunkwao Andrews Owusu aka Asset from Abake and then your birthday Nyankopon shop Chairman Abosi from Obuasi and I wish you birthday no tea happy birthday to Yenya Andrews Owusu aka Asset Chairman Abosi and I say okay ti Yenya Abake Nyankopon Esha Andrews Owusu aka Asset Nyankopon shop from Dunkau and Chairman Abosi Obuasi and then your birthday praise what the national yes a good talk cry I say chairman said we said them now one shitty kicking away and just press on the kicky
chairman
yes the chairman here chairman not on paper the coupon shout happy birthday chairman we heavy that's a good talk cry we top and down no just up power and chairman and pa we didn't know who say the coupon when we yam chairman I will see happy birthday the coupon shop and on to praise me
yeah and Kimisha Willow upon a jarre. Kimisha Willow upon a jarre. And he runs for Mr. Ome, the amount here now they are to swallow. Very good way. Your friend a man nearby.
Okay.
Or no, and it's here Kunyanimino. Kimisha Willow upon a jarre.
Okay.
And Kimisha a birthday. Now, I don't know how our friend Kimi.
Okay.
And Kimi birthday. Kimi, your father, you wish you a very happy birthday. Yanko Punshao. Oma wunyini me penyipa oma wunye te sa una na ba na ensure una na ba Nyankopɔ de ama no oma na nya moho emfa ma opa Kimisha
medasi Kimisha Prince Buantino and Yatere Kano Yenua Philip Kobana in Kumsa El Salibro that's a good talk crowd brand team you do you boy juma pa apostle on the bia yes a good talk crowd apostle that pay we heavy power boy juma and afei Yenua Cinco Mr. Wack and afei Ejekum Blanson aka Orlando and Roberto Firmino the finisher Roland Ajini Boateng. On this note yɛde dwumadie no ebesi amedi and Richard Crest Adam Sakowa Mackenzie call me Delator Ken call me the latest intelligence nyame adoma